Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave on the top my mind, because the win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Go tell the hypocrite and bad mind, them can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Hey. Whoa! Not again, man. Good afternoon, people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Make we give thanks to another day indeed. Shalom Akamba. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good bless up to all who believe in a God. And all who believe in a God now there. When somebody picnic to but go and do anything. But big up all who believe in God. Blessings and respect. Welcome to another blast off Monday inside the Boom Bang Mixup Entertainment Show. With me, your host, yours truly, Ragashanti. That's my name. Mr. Washbelly, the principal indeed, large upon himself and the king of mix-up. And that, me a that, I'm a own that, but I let go that. And yes, I am a self-proclaimed skettle. I am a self-proclaimed skettle. If you're uncomfortable listening to a man telling you that he's a skettle, then don't listen. If you're uncomfortable around a man who say him is a skettle, don't go around him. It is your right. So if you can't deal with my skettleism, take for yourself neatly. You understand? But I am a skettle. And because I'm a skettle, I make sound like I go, Ree, and all them things there. You see it? Because when I look at friend from no guy, big up the woman them and thing. Big up the bossy lesbian who don't like me. Big up the bossy lesbian who like me. Big up all of my ghetto ladies them who happen to be lesbian and me I want to move good and reason everything. Big up all go-go dancer. You understand? Big up all prostitute. When I support the prostitution, you know. We just I say when I turn my back pound you know, and condemn, you know, and go and like say we're not a human being again. When I support the prostitution. We just I say, we not gonna turn my back pound and go and like say we nice and the whole of have our own story to tell. So put it on the record. Ragashanti will stand up a road and talk to prostitute. Ragashanti go-go club and we raise with the go-go them and thing. And because the go-go them we know everybody business and know the hypocrite them and thing. And all of the go-go them if you have them file, you know, just send them in to me. Send it. Yo, we're going to have like a mix-up line different from the booking line, you know. We're not just send in and mix up them. You understand? You see it? And remember, if you have any good mix-up, you can send them to the separate email will come to me, which is mixupraga@gmail.com. That is not the show email. If you have anything to do with the show, you send it to ragashantiLive@gmail.com. That is for the show. But yo, if you don't have any mix-up on the people them who don't know who are fight against me, some of them bossy people, send it to mixupraga@gmail.com. MIXUPRAGA@gmail.com. You see the people them who are fight against me and thing, the people them who are war me. If you have any good mix up on the whole hypocrite them, you just send it to that email. If you don't know if you do it, get somebody to do it quietly and neatly. You see it? Alright? And respect for them mix up the way me get about the two boy them. Get some mix up about the two boy them. Yeah, man. One of them about the wife with student are foreign and carry the student to foreign go sleep with the student are foreign. Mad. And them a tell me about moral this and that. One next one me understand, me I follow up on that one. Me understand so one next one they do it one girl underage. The girl name start with K. So she there far now with the picnic me here. Same the breed, the girl, underage, young picnic me here. Yeah, I said the girl breed somewhere around 14, 15. Me I follow up on that one there too. No worries. I'm afraid of people. You understand? Anyway. DJ Chris Cross, what's up?
I'm good.
Everything jiggy?
Yeah, man, all well, you know.
Emily, what you say?
They are listening to you, the better one, you know what I mean?
Me, the better one? Well, me, I must the better one, you know, because I just eat 4 big cartwheel dumpling and some proper, you know, yeah.
And
yeah,
we all know
just
you
eat a
didn't
nice
cook.
one. No.
Pray you're not buying up little more.
No, you don't worry yourself. I had my veggies. And that was an E, not an A.
Better, no?
Cross, what you say? Where I go down, Papa?
All well.
All well.
Yeah, you see it. But just like you correct that a while ago, yeah? You don't want to people go run with that, no?
Yeah, I said veggies.
Yeah.
Yo, you know the feminists, them at least dance. There he goes again, bastard.
God.
Yo, them are honest to me people, but everything is everything. But so eat lunch.
Yeah.
What did you have?
Oh, I had stuffies with the rice. And I don't remember the flavor drink, but it tastes good. It wasn't lemonade though. It was some fruit, some
So
fruit.
you one of them a drink things and I know where you drink.
You don't worry about that.
Yes,
At least I know what it was.
So you know, look hungry. Me not drink nothing what me don't know me I drink. I kill if people drink things and I know them I drink. And that me say.
That mean you this Miss Clark then. Miss Clark is a trusted juice mixer, okay?
No. I never say anything. I never say anything about the drinks. You know. I never say the drinks is held in ill repute. The drink. All right, let us assume the drinks is great and it's fine. Can you not drop down or anything?
Yeah.
I'm just saying it is still on record that you drank the drink without knowing what drink it is.
It don't really matter. It tastes good and it passed my throat.
That's what I say a lot of poisons do.
No pun intended either.
Uh-oh. So, Cross, what you think about people who drink things and I know them I drink?
No, I'm gonna go.
No, I don't support them things. I don't rate them.
No, man,
people.
are you think? Are you think?
No.
Especially
not bad enough. What you say, Cross? What you say?
No, man, I say especially now them the IrieJam. You know what I mean? Because when I say you might trust the person who mix it, but you never know who my jeans screechy and teeth piece put in it. You know what I mean?
Well, anything will catch me, I catch everybody.
Yeah, I mean everybody will drink. No, but the point is, the issue is not the drink. You know, you keep on go back to the actual drink. The issue is not the drink, right? But I sure you ask the other people in my nationwide if them ask which drink, and everybody ever say, yeah, them know what kind of drink. Probably only you alone know because you're hungry belly.
Thank God you never drink. No.
You never drink.
Enough. Operative word. Enough.
You know, Bill Clinton said, I smoked marijuana, but I did not inhale. Well, the drink go in my mouth, but I didn't swallow.
Y'all need help.
All right. Hold on. We're going to break and we'll come back. We're going to make Chris Cross nasty up the thing in the blast off money. And do remember, so the new topic is how you catch people who are get born. How do you catch people who are get born? What are the different techniques and strategies you must use to catch people who are get born? And what if people are going to nervous for the next 2 weeks? Oh, because people are going to learn the things, them hallelujah. We're going to break, we're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the team them.
Okay, it's about 3 minutes after 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Yeah. Okay, all right then. Make we see what go on. We have, make we see what go on. We have several here. No, man, read that one. I read about the woman who said she was raped by a demon. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Mm-mm. 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 All right. We're kind of edit up that one here. We're kind of fix up that one. People, just bear with me, because I don't know if I can believe it. True stories from around the world that make you say, what? Oh, my Jesus. Anything can really go so. And for can you believe it, today, we go to Liverpool in England. And big up all of the Liverpool fans, them. And whoever cheer for Arsenal go drop asleep. I want to know, so Root get mad now, don't it? All Gunners fan take what you sell. All Man U fan take what you sell. And big up all Tottenham fans. Ray, Tottenham Hotspurs, Ray, Tambourine for Tottenham. But anyway, this takes place in Liverpool. Here we go, people. Brace. Granny caught on camera having sex with Rottweiler. Granny caught on camera having sex with Rottweiler. And for those of you who don't know, a Rottweiler is a dog. We have to be careful. We have to leave out some part of the story. So, you know it go. Them say we can't say things to a certain point, because to pressure I pick to them and we understand that. So leave out. So, but here the mix up. A grandmother from Liverpool who was photographed having sexual relations with a pet dog has escaped a custodial sentence. 42-year-old Paula Mangan, 42-year-old, she a granny, young. Originally denied the charges when the photos seized by police did not show her face. But when boffins were called in to further examine items taken from her home, they uncovered condemning images which clearly showed the glamorous granny going at it with the pooch. Mangan pleaded guilty to having sex with the animal, a Rottweiler chow cross, when she appeared in court yesterday to receive a 2-year community order with supervision. Police raided the house Mangan shared with her partner, Lee McCall, in January 2009. McCall pleaded guilty to 13 counts of making indecent images and will be sentenced on April 18th. Crisscross. Michelle.
Boom.
What? First of all, what an immediate impact by that story? A real something,
Yeah?
What an immediate response? 42-year-old woman. I do the things them with a Rottweiler dog and look like her husband, her partner, Lee McCall, like he might take the picture of them too, so. What? She no start. Yo, and them not came and said, what, you think that she should have got jail for this?
Yeah. Yeah.
But the people are going to say the dog is a human being. You know?
No, but if any abuse happened, so who abuse you?
No. What I'm saying is the dog is being
abused
well,
in this
depending,
situation.
I know the dog feel when he might do it and I must abuse it.
Yeah.
Remember
some people can say, well, the
Rottweiler?
dog
Yeah.
had a choice.
Because remember, they're known for aggressiveness, you know, Rottweilers.
No, hold on. All right, I guess the question here.
She could have the man, so she should draw for the best friend.
That man, because them say a dog is
He's
man's
a man's
best
best
friend, don't it? The man, I don't know.
Talk about doggy style.
Yeah, would that kill me? Tambourine would that kill me? No, but all right. First question: was the dog abused? Did the dog have a choice? What?
Yeah.
Wait. Well, the dog had a choice?
Yeah.
If the dog never do it, would the dog have suffered even more serious abuse if the dog never performed? What do you think?
Well, I never have option them me refer to it, you know.
She can't go road, but
Well, I
the
never have
dog. So,
option.
I never have me refer to.
You only there for the rule today. But I like it.
so she can't go road, but this the dog. I said the dog, no use and them thing.
No.
No problem, the dog I think about that too.
What you say?
I know probably the dog I say, yo, next thing you know, she gonna tell all the media poodle along the road. They say, no, go on with nothing. Yeah, yeah,
No.
man. Deal with this.
Oh.
It's like basically if she never do it, then it would have lick her to death, that kind of thing. So she had to choose. I mean, it's a Rottweiler after all.
Excuse me, did you just say liquor?
It's a dog. Dogs lick people's face and stuff.
Don't say anymore. Don't say anymore. Jesus. No, but at the end of the day, we don't support anybody that sleep with animals, don't we?
No.
Yeah.
One say no and one say yeah, but the two
No,
of
man.
them say the
In
same.
agreement.
We agree.
Yes, sir, I got to me as a foolish.
At
Just
the end of the
talk.
day, we don't support anybody who want sleep with animal. I'm here. No, yeah.
No, man. She forget rocks up, man.
Yes, we don't.
She forget rocks up.
Should we get rocks up?
Yeah, man.
Now, I think the sentence was too mild. If you're going to send if you want to send a message that frolicking with animals in this manner is totally unaccepted and it is illegal, and you want to protect the well-being of the animals, then perhaps you need to send a more serious message, don't you?
Don't.
She shouldn't get no. And you know, some people say it was a man him get a sentence.
That's true. Yeah, man.
Talk the truth. You know,
It's
see
true.
some
Yeah.
but man, they send up on a puppy or upon a dog, whatever. You don't think them would have
they
sentence?
give a dog the same treatment as a man where I say him undergo sexual abuse. Because I must say how the man get erected and this and that and other factors.
Right.
The same thing.
So you're saying that there is sexism against men here, then? There is discrimination against the male of all species.
She'd never try that with a chihuahua.
No, well,
Her bulldog.
no. If she did with the chihuahua, that she wouldn't have any impact.
That's true.
Unless the chihuahua redefined the term running.
Oh, in and out quickly.
Unless the chihuahua gonna say, well, me? I'm very smart. Oh, I get it. Run in. No, what would make somebody go really sleep with a woman go sleep with a dog?
She's sick.
And have a man there. Well, you don't. Well, he probably can't even do nothing.
Well,
You understand?
No, maybe
Raga.
he's the same thing,
Raga.
you know?
Raga.
Yeah, probably my theme dog.
Oh, yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
You have to understand. You know what they say? Every dog has his day. You know what I mean?
But Raga, somebody, German, just said that,
Yeah.
but women sleep with dogs every day.
Yo, probably that woman there say, yo, dog and dog with a 2 foot and 4 foot, same dog. Same dog.
No one is shot.
Who for tell? Probably all when the man who, where brother name? Where name? Lee McCall. Probably all when him go work up here back him back. Baby, you ready?
Wait, after all, him have to compete with a Rottweiler.
Tell him and she a play fight and him go bite her. She say, no worry, not try to bite him thing. You understand? The dog.
I fear a
run
dog
up
though.
over.
Are she one of the dog
Yeah.
or the man?
They own the dog. They own the dog. So she did deny it at first, because I just the picture them did have. No, them never have. Her head never in the picture. But then when them will check out some other picture now and them see her head and see she do the things them with the dog. At that time she admit it and thing. And she get a 2-year community order with supervision.
She needs to be rehabilitated.
Who was the?
Yeah, all when him a go down the road.
Yeah.
And as some little female dog a run a come and itch up on him. Say, yo, my thing set different. How are they?
Dog.
Different.
How are they? Yo, you can't talk to me, man. Bring 2 bones if you want to deal with me, man. Send on the money. I mean, it's a gigolo. Why? People, these are the crazy things happening in this world, you know. Some people don't want to expose these things on the show, but that is the objective of the show, is a mix-up
But you know what I think about
show.
Raga?
What
I
that?
wonder what the man reaction to the dog. Like him home alone and all the dog no one can now. All pre the dog, I say, you fool. You know, me
Hey,
wonder
can't step to the dog there.
Why the reaction?
No,
And you step to the dog, them get shell. Do this
No,
around.
as far as the dog concerned, probably the man of the dog mate, you know.
So the dog, me I show you, man.
Try show you how it
The
funny.
dog is like Adams, and the man would be like a ragger, that kind of thing. Can't step to him.
No, that's the wrong name you're going to use this to make your point. No, but I support that. Don't bright. Don't bro it. Don't bro it. Yo, but give it that the man I take the picture there. You can't run when I take the picture and the dog just a pose. Yo, catch me up on the side. I catch up on the... Catch up on the side. I catch up on the side. Watch out, watch. That one I name Wag the Tail. Wag the Tail. Wag the Tail.
You can hear the dog. Hands up. On the woman's shoulder.
Yo, you see all when them all I say, them play all a tune to make for build a vibes, and them go all put in like Chris Brown, the dog just said no, and put in all a Lionel Richie, the dog said no, and put in a Beyonce, the dog said no, the dog just said I don't want them one. He said, then put in a one day, you know what you hear? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs?
Alright, dog, I roll all down the road and I bounce out some beanie. Old dog like me.
Old dog like me. Me. Yo, people, there you have it. In Liverpool, a woman was arrested and sentenced, but she never get jail time, but nonetheless sentenced for 42-year-old grandmama, her name is Paula Mangan, for having sexual relations with a Rottweiler dog. Nasty! That was...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Yep. I can read 2 email. Please remember, say, the topic for this week, I know, is how to catch people who are gibbon. How to catch people who are gibbon. What are the techniques to catch people who are gibbon? But we have some email from last week. First email, Raga, regarding the St. Catherine I mix up. The teacher go for lunch with the man. So when the man bring her back, them never know that the wife had trailed them. So when the man let her off and go turn out of the school, the wife come through the entrance. You have exit gate and an entrance, but some trees and big plants in the middle, so you cannot see what is coming on the next side. So as him let her off and drive off, the woman jump out of the car and grab the teacher and tear off the teacher wig and beat her. Raga. The woman stop at one point and say, you know, hear myself alone, my man, you deaf? And start to beat her again. You know how school picture them with for them excitement. Then the principal and the security run go part them. Then the woman a try go away, but the security lock the gate and call police. And the police them escort the teacher off of the campus. I don't know what them do with the woman. This is regarding a mix-up with the woman where one teacher and take one woman husband, and the husband a burn him wife, of course. And the wife lay away at them and thing and go get it 3 years and get the teacher a fine piece of whopping in a schoolyard. We don't know where mix-up go and thing. Hey, me I tell you, say them people are sampling, you know. Oh, them all send me link for the teacher. No, man, but the teacher stay well, man. The teacher stay well. Me not lie. What? What? Somebody send a link with the teacher. The teacher stay well, man. What? that I go on. Anyway. Next email. Raga, me nah lie. I always date the foreign man them cause of the money, but end up being lonely. So after the last relationship, I decided to stay at home and take a yard man. Raga, me never hungry so yet. Him can't back me up no time. And when me run out of stuff him always broke. Him have too much baggage with him kids. And the sort out leaves room for improvement. Me still with him, but I'm looking around. Super Jesus. This is in regards to the Koso ghetto debate. Foreign somebody or local somebody, which one it better for David. I'm going to do about that topic the Thursday, you know, so if anybody knows, say, when can shell down that topic there, when you just call in and just make root know, say, when you're ready for work Thursday, and I Koso get to debate on that topic there. Well, I want somebody to defend the argument, say, better you're there with somebody from foreign nowadays, because when you're there with somebody from Jamaica, it not going to help you. Whether man or woman, it not going to help you. I want somebody to defend the other side. So I better you're there with somebody from Jamaica. Because when you're there with, you just not give up your Jamaican man or your Jamaican woman, right? That's for Thursday. So if you know, so you can shell that, just make you know. Just call in and make you know. Next email. Raga, big up to my ex-stepmother. Where I there with her best friend, man. And when the man has sought out her best friend, well on. Raga, big up to my ex-stepmother. We're there with our best friend, man. And when the man has sought out our best friend, him call me ex-stepmother and I tell her how the sort out I go. Raga, it's sticky upon them. I know my ex-stepmother there with one Rasta man. And still I sort out the man when I sort out our best friend. Good mix up that, you know. Next email. Raga, big up to the pastor man of Antigua Bay who did in the illegal deeds. And when him come at the lawyer office, when me walk, him a tell me about him want swipe me. All nastiness. Raga, also big up to my nasty neighbor from Catherine Mount. When I stop tell me him want swipe me. Me can't write what else the person said. I can't read what else the person said. It will be too terrible period. But in terms of fixing it up so I understand, he might ask the woman for a swipe at a certain time for the woman. But I understand her man. Dirty man. He might ask the woman to swipe her at that time. We leave it there. Next email. Well, big up to the woman at St. Mary. We put on her clothes to go to church Sunday. And her man demand sort out. And she have to turn back and give him the sort out. And end up not go to church. God should have give the man a heart attack. Well, I don't know why God forgive the man. It's not the man's fault. You talk like say if the man see him woman and go to church, him not want to sort out at that time. Like the implication is that it is ungodly for the man to see him wife go to church and want to sort out at that time. If she decide not to go to church after, if she decide to give him the sort out and not go to church after the sort out, I fear her choices them they have nothing to do with the man. Why God should have give the man a heart attack? I know a man fault. The man is loving his wife. Next email. Raga, big up to the girl. We call my phone. But me I take her man. She had to tell me how much she pay in bills and buy gas for him car. So I say, all right, me take him. But me thank you for all of that. Because him come over the toll just for the shell down sort out. And me tell her I'm grateful for all her contribution. Because the amount of time him cross the toll, him picture must put up there. Tambourine. I wish you man of mine a man for him pay a toll for to go to the Bonner girl. She said the amount of time him go through the toll, he must put up him picture out of the toll booth. Next email, I got big up to the girl who take my friend man. And when she done sort him out and go away, she see my friend handbag and oh God. Raga, big up to the girl who take my friend man. And when she done sort him out and I go away, She see my friend handbag and how you put this now? Let us just say she see her she take the woman man. And after she done say her to the woman man and I go she see the woman handbag. And let us just say she left some liquids in it.
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the team.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say no. Hey Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, so welcome up in our new topic, Oh, you catch somebody where I get born now. What are the ways in which you can catch somebody where I get born? So call in and give a mix up where you catch somebody, or you catch somebody I get born, or you see somebody get catch when them I get born, or you trick somebody and find out when them I get born, or confirm so them I get born. Oh, you catch somebody I get born. What are the secrets and things for catch people I get born? We do that topic here already, and it shell. I make me go on an example where they mad up the place. We have a crew, a woman. We don't know if them still there, but them did link a UTech. I would call them the serial number crew. And you know why them name the serial number crew? One of them out of the crew said the way how she catch fear man when him did I get born is as follows. She said she always notice, she check the condom them when have. So she know how many condoms for there because she know how many him I use for her. So she said basically she know him did I get born, but the condom them, the amount never short yet in a way where whatever. So you know what she do? She write down the serial number off of the condom them. Write down the serial number off of the condom them. So when Mr. Man go use him Rough Rider and go buy back a Rough Rider and put it back, or go use him Trojan and go buy back a Trojan and put it back, what him a put back was condoms with different serial numbers. And that's how she take it, people. Oh, poor Jesus. I'll know me figure a tambourine for them. And so she beat him and find out, say, him did actually, I use the condom them a boner and I buy back condom and I replace them with the one where him use so that when she come there, she always has the right amount of condom backside, you know. You see it? And that is a very creative and clever and smart way to catch somebody a get born. So whether you're a man out there catch woman a get born or you're a woman a catch man a get born, and think you have some creative ways in which you did trick somebody and find out to them a get born. Call in and rinse up the things them. You see it? All right? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. All right, if you have any other mix-up too, any other mix-up is a mix-up entertainment show. So you call in and give with the things them. Just make sure so when you dip up on somebody, you don't call them name. And make sure so when you call, we not hear no radio and nobody attack, run you on the radio and make a nice boy and sit and say. Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon.
Evening, my family.
Evening, my family.
How you do?
Man, the day I know.
Okay. Right now, me I sit to tell you.
Tell me.
See that me a listen Baba Tunde, you see?
Yeah.
Our woman call Pani. And
Yeah.
the woman are you in the pan? Because he sent
Yes.
call already. And he say, oh, what the broadcasting commission now do and what they now do. And he want to know where the church are going to step in and do. Because in here, woman, I call for your program, I talk about they have 3 man. 3 man, a dagger, start out and all the same thing. They are that in call, I tell Baba Tunde today.
Hold on. The woman say what the broadcasting commission and the church are going to do because woman
Yes.
I call my show, I say she have 3 man.
3 man. So, Baba Tunde said, Baba Tunde said, since I say, them bunny, why him say it? Why your truth say it? No. I'm going to talk and you in the pan and you in the pan and after I don't talk, he come tell Baba about he might pay how much $1,000 for rent and he know how no way to live. So me I said to myself, Tan, and this town him come off you. You know, how long we live, you know? But he know say you entertain woman, we have 3 man per radio. So I say, I want to know where the church are going to come. I don't want to know where the church have to do with you when you are enlightened people.
No, but when I show you, you see how them people, them think, them know what going on in the country. Something simple as that now. A woman have 3 man. That is a shock to her.
When this is with the car, but after that, your friend from Jamaican call, that I remember my name, and never call after that too.
Yeah.
The Rasta me pen. Where Rasta name again, man?
Raskava, man. Raskava.
Call, man, Raskava done him to, and he suit me, because me never have no credit at the time to call, because me want call Baba Tunde to fix him and put him in that place. I don't know if Baba Tunde would allow me to fix him, but me want fix him till I
to fix her, the woman, to fix her.
Because then they are dish towel, then some table, dish towel, you know the dish towel them, and then some problem to people plate in their kitchen, the old dirty dish
right,
towel.
And so wait, so she, no man, remember say, this towel are nice one enough. Remember you say,
the one where you use in the outside kitchen, and then the one me attract, the old black one.
No, well, she plate cloth. She plate cloth. She plate cloth. This towel too nice for she. She plate cloth. Plate cloth, man.
Yes, and them they turn trouble to we clean plate them in our good kitchen.
Exactly. She go like me and her come, but look, if me was plate cloth like she, you know, I'm gonna tell her, when I say, hey girl, come kiss out my plate cloth.
Alright, let me say, you said to yourself, say, you look like a ragga near me white fall. And me know say if you want white fall, me raise a lot, so you're not happy, you not no problem. You logo with it,
don't say a word, baby, no look. No, but what I say, I swear you say, oh, this a woman is ignorant and fool. She is shocked and astonished that woman, somebody can call and admit, say, a woman. Yeah, tell her, say, yeah.
Hey, Baba Tunde tell her, say, you see, you was on a different program. And probably it was something on it, and if the broadcasting commission did have a problem with you, you would not depend on this station. And Baba Tunde fixing this, and me love Baba Tunde, me love down to the dot when you walk on. Remember me tell you.
Well on. Me rate Baba Tunde, but I want to put it on. Hold on, I want to put it on record that the broadcasting commission want to get me off radio. Mm-hmm. That is undeniable. Right? In fact, they have put in motion, you know, processes to get me off radio. I mean, know that for a fact. So that is another issue that we're not dealing with. So we don't want the statement where you make with Baba Tunde say, I don't want to make it pass and then nobody, you know, but we just want it on record that them set out to get, you know, them just presently I try to establish the framework where we justify the removal and things like that. But what not, but we're not on the BC here right now.
Baba Tunde tell him, say, probably if he's going
tell her, say.
He said, be careful, he's going to the rapid shop because if he look somewhere if he live at the grade at the rapid shop, probably he have to go ramp.
So so this woman here who are call and attack up the thing now.
And she say I know the first she called. Me know she called last week in a Raga, but because me at least me the pan man thing and I watch it, me not even pick up when after I done that, me say then I know Raga that the pan. See what me have to say to me, say I know Raga that the pan. But me we couldn't quite sure. Me I kind of figure out say most you in the pan. But at today now we come back for you in card, you in set today. You.
Well, listen, when me I say to
you must be me mama white fall are you picking pigeon?
Oh, I'm a pick up.
You are picking pigeon and you are picking pigeon, so that's why I text say, and me know say she a listen because since you are picking pigeon, till the other day when you got top.
No man, the whole of the nastiness them listen. Well, no man, the whole of the nastiness them listen. The whole of them listen. All of them say them not listen. All who hate me listen. But when me I say
picking pigeon today.
Well, no man, listen to me, man. What we need for, I mean, she crosses when I even look at she, but me I say, what we need to really appreciate in a way she do is that this woman can hear a woman call my show and say she have 3 man, which a common thing around, right? But she hear a woman and say it, and she's so shocked that she's saying the broadcasting commission and the church need to do something about it.
Yes, he said church need to step out this time. He said church, you want to know what the church are do. Brother, me go a big church, big pastor when in Jamaica right now when me rate more every one of the other rest of pastor them over. Me rate this a pastor, man. Me hear that the pastor say, him a go out and he listen to you. And me hear talking a big fasting, so him a go out and listen to you and him have to stop the people and listen where you say, listen where the other argument when the person did tell somebody say to go at the bank or sit down and in the evening, we in the evening, he come out and talk to the security guard when the security guard asked him, what mean so long ago? And me hear the pastor talking a big fasting and me say, me have to clap the pastor in a fasting the day. Big
yes,
pastor.
Well, don't worry yourself, man. We have more people who appreciate the thing and understand the thing than those who are ignorant, jealous, bad mind, and tan bad about the thing.
But when some people, when them are fast with people, they must just spin they door keep on their finger. Me not break with nobody else, me can spin me door key.
So what she say? Oh, me not understand. Oh, she feel play thousands of dollars and live nowhere. Me not understand.
And you know, live nowhere. And after I talk, and I go make him mention about him a look so if he live. Him in credit run out. Not even credit, you know, have. So I call back and Babatunde cut him off.
All right, let's see.
Babatunde said, this is not the place for it. You call already and you call back.
All right, then I bless this man. Let's see a word, man. What they have for them?
Raga, one of my friends tell me, say, you're troubling shoes on Monday.
Some do what?
He did pick up mass about me Monday there, so I couldn't come.
Okay, me understand. One of your friends say me do what?
Eh?
Say what? One of your friends say what?
Say you're troubling shoes on Monday.
Him or she? She said me trouble her shoes on Monday. Yeah, man, they don't know some me.
I tell him to go fast to these shoes.
They don't know say me say me strip me a troublemaker, man. All right, but let's say a word here. And listen to me. Listen, listen me. Me stronger than the whole of them.
You don't watch them, let them whole of them.
Me stronger than the whole of them. And them are tired for see my face. I'll put them deathbed, them Ragashanti, I go haunt them. And when them a dream, you go up in and dream, I go on with the things.
Make the old
no worry yourself. Not the plate clot them. Them a plate clot that try turn in a dish towel and them don't even dead so yet. Stand in the sink. Stand in the sink. When if you clean up like we spot the food they go down in the sink and so when enough up in the dish dryer. Stand in the sink. Plate clot. Have a clean ground. I think. And then all the things that me a plate clot when I come kiss out my plate clot. Listen, don't make I tell you some clot, you know. Don't make I ring out some clot. I want to come kiss out my plate clot. Well, I want me to give them headache, so. I want me to hurt them head, so.
Step on you, you know, you see them in a back you up face to face. I make the whole of jam them, you know, different.
No, man, most of the people who criticize me, they're a bunch of cowards. Cowards. That me say. They're a bunch of cowards. I want me to give them headache, so. I want me to beat them bad, so. I want me to beat them bad, so.
Are you a vice cartel or the biggest start in Jamaica, so make them go on with you and vice cartel. You know, see, after them talk about vice cartel, give them something to chat about.
Okay. All right, let's say a word here.
All right, take care.
All right, take care. Mixup. How we are hurt up them heads, so how we are stress them, so. Them say I be a foolishness over here, but them have to listen every day. Mad! I'm going to take it to one and say, nothing couldn't hear nothing yet. Bring it. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Raga?
What? What's up?
Nothing. Raga?
No, man, something I feel up because you call.
All right. May I give the mix up for today?
Yeah.
How woman no man give on?
Yes. How woman no man give on? Talk up the things them to me, I know.
All right. One time my husband go out. So he come back now. So me know say about he can give me. Say he come back.
Yeah.
Take off him clothes. But he take off the pants now. He fresh go bathroom. When he go in the bathroom, the brief done wrong side. So as he take off the pants and go in the bathroom, so me go in the pants. And me take out the money. And me take out my own. Put on back the pants. He come out. When he come out the bathroom now, go in the pants. You hear me now? How gonna, he said to me, where you going to be pants? Me say, anyway, you take off your pants and them go in your pants. I know me. Anyway you could give me bone, and them take off the money out of your pants. I know me. He never say another word.
Him no say nothing more for defend the money or nothing.
No, not at all.
So what you say, when him take off him pants, him have on him brief back and front?
Back and front. He never realized him put on the brief back and front.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. And you see quick before him go in the bathroom, no?
Oh, you mean? Me see it, man. I just take the money. See, if I take the money, me satisfied. Me not cuss him again.
You not cuss him again?
No, friend, go bathroom could be it.
All right. I be him, it smell quick.
Could be it tough.
Okay.
Me want to give more Mixup, but I work me there. So I can't get no more Mixup one that day. And strong every day me listen to them come in the shop. How that you listen for? When you listen for me say Raga the best thing for radio. Low Raga. I mean not listen to Raga.
All right, you know.
You see.
All right, blessings here.
Yes, darling.
All right. Listen to me, people. Honestly, when people from the rural areas of the country call the show, I want to respect them and make them talk. Right? When rural area people are country people are people from areas that are not metropolitan or whatever, I want to respect them. Particularly on listeners of foreign where I write up some sitting or whatever. I not stop from expressing myself. That is part of how the show run. But I don't want nobody fight against the country people accent for my show. I don't want nobody be disrespectful to country people when them call my show. Because somehow I do the very same thing both the people them we are fight against in terms of the show. I do the very same thing to country people when them call them show. And this them, you must respect and love on the Jamaican people with the rich diversity of accents that we have. And I remind you that the accents that you hear are not by accident. They are deliberately derived from a mother tongue from Western Africa, from the Akan-speaking people, and specifically associated with a language referred to as Twi, T-double-I, from what was the Gold Coast and now is predominantly Ghana. It's just that we have been socialized to hate our indigenous language, our African-sounding language, and we have this dichotomy now of you either chat bad or you speak well. And the chat bad, unfortunately, is actually the one where we should be proud of. I am not saying we're not supposed to learn and master standard English. But what is interesting is that Jamaica has now reached a point where we supposedly have good sounding patois and bad sounding patois. Again, what is interesting is that Jamaica has reached a point where we have good patois and bad patois, which I find quite absurd. But it just tie right back in I sitting on a fight against the country people and them accent. And we don't want to, but me not stop on from making a comment, but this whole thing about get rid of the collar there and fling off the collar there on the carry it on a level there. Only sound just the same as the people who can't tolerate the difference of my show and I say them forget rid of Raga and chew off Raga. Uno doing the same damn thing. So uno must stop it. If uno don't want to like it, that's fine. Uno entitled to it. If uno can't stand the sound of it, that's fine. You're entitled to that. I would have liked it not to be so, but if it is so, that's fine. But when I go up on the level about get rid of the collar, chew off the collar, and all them something there. Only no bother with it. We don't want nobody to because we just fling our people off of the post them or whatever. We don't want the disrespect get pan of it. Right? If you don't want to lay your tongue down your radio for a while or whatever. But this thing you have to get rid of people. I don't know, cuss me too. Oh, me have on the collar them. Me not depend that. Me not depend that. Big up country people and them accent. Big up the patois speaking people. You understand? Big up the people with the rich Jamaican talk with them have. Where everybody else across the world proud of it and like it and love it. And only our Jamaican people fight against it. Patois, me say, country people to talk up. All me ask could do it. When I refer to woman, don't say him. Say her. It get confusing. Anyway, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Be glad, you know, say you see a man.
Eh?
You know, say you're a good see a man.
Why you say that?
Me up on the line, I wait for talk to you, but me can't bother with the speaky spokey. So me can't manage it. So me glad you talk before me come on.
Yes,
you
man.
know, say I'm a woman we call and talk about the 10-speed bicycle. Where girl call again and know me and I go say, I lie me at you. Raga, I couldn't sleep. Me have to listen it back over in the night, you know. And this morning, me get up. And me say, me can't wait till Raga come on. I'm not too long, me go eat one blue jars. And drink little lemonade.
Yeah, leave blue jars, you know, don't cut out that.
Sit down I plaza with your big coat tongue. I wait for the lady if you carry her plate, come for you lick out the gravy out there. And that me want to tell her.
Tambourine!
Sit down with her big coat tongue. She go mash up your woman dish. The lady say if she sit down and I look. She look for the lady if you mash up your woman dish, you know.
Just say, Anna, you make her sit down at the plaza with a big cow tongue and wait for the lady come for her dish, especially lick out the gravy out of the woman dish.
Yes.
Second back coming would be very proud of you. Second back coming would be... Go, she want to use her tongue for mash up the woman dish.
You too craven. Girl, you too craven. You too malicious and gluttonous.
Yes.
She use her mouth too much.
Use her mouth too much. I lick out the woman gravy, no?
Yeah, yeah. I lie, she a tell Raga, I lie. From you hear she talking, you know, see her mouth wide, you know. Then wide her mouth, you know.
Oh, then wide her mouth.
Her mouth coming like back pocket. From your ear she attack, you know.
What you say, her mouth coming like back pocket, what that mean?
Wide like a back pocket, you know, so her back pocket wide. I saw her mouth wide. You know,
mad!
Raga.
Mad!
Yeah, I know. Me not say she not hit cow foot. Me not say she not hit cow foot, so she not hand on glue. Oh, she know, me not hit cow foot, me hit the skin. Me boil it and then me take coffee, water and mix the water and drink it and then me cook down the cow foot and eat it. So me have gum.
You have gum?
Yes. She
sure.
said me not have
all
gum.
Right.
If they turn her upside down and throw a jam or glue, she still, that does still not no use to her.
Okay.
So me don't know where she me no say, me no in a trouble, you know, because me say me a 10-speed bicycle man beg me a ride off and she.
Well, what you say a while ago, I know you turn her upside down and throw a gum and glue in her, it still can't help her?
That still can't help her.
Tambourine!
That the girl that come in like cane piece, Raga. A cane piece girl that, you know.
She come in like cane piece, and what makes she come in like cane piece now?
Every man come broke and gone.
Come broke piece of cane and gone.
Every man come broke piece of cane and gone. Every man come broke and gone. Raga, me say, if man beg me a ride off of me 10-speed bicycle.
Yes.
She a get a bicycle.
She a get a...
Sick, lame and lazy ride that, you know. You know what
you say she a get a bicycle, the sick, lame and lazy ride for her bicycle?
Yes. You know when time man get a bicycle, one man just ride that and jump off. Not even stand on the pan if you catch up, you know, just drop back that ground. And left that.
No, that we say get a bicycle is where you come and fight. You just come and it's still a run and just go drop in a gutter.
And left that. And somebody else come up that ride gone.
And everybody ride that. Get a bicycle.
Everybody ride that. So me don't know.
So you say...
You know, say a girl there, you see. It's like her... she have family over Broadcasting Commission.
Okay, why you said?
Either you tell the name Delcetia Green or Delcetia Dunn. But it don't fit her more. So Delcetia...
That one the man! What you say is either she named Delcetia Green or Delcetia Dunn. But she must have relatives over the Broadcasting Commission. I wake up in this moment here to the wall. Big up Cardell Green and Upton Dunn. Big up Cardell Green and Upton Dunn. Delcetia Green or Delcetia Dunn. Anyway.
But Raga.
What you say?
You don't know, so me got one message for her from Durex. Durex regret to inform her that her birth has been an accident, but they no upgrade them condom, so mistake like that now happen again. Never happen again.
Oh, yeah, go, sir. Wait, they make them read the news. We'll come back to you, yeah?
All right,
We'll
yes.
come back to you. Don't move, Amoso.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Mix up and Blenda family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Everyone come.
Okay, then. Welcome back up in I sitting. You don't know how to mix up entertainment sitting with me, the king of mix up. Ragashanti, proper respect to all massive and crew up in this, yeah? And the topic going up on how you catch somebody when they get born. What are the ways in which you can catch somebody when they get born? But we have a caller right here now who will take on our next caller when it come talk up some things about her. And she shell down the radio station and wicked right here now. I make both the people and hurt them because she talk up, you understand? Because she said the girl more big like back pocket, yeah? She said Durex set. Yeah, voila, maybe make she talk. Coming back your caller.
Yes, Raga, me have one sad news from Durex.
Yeah.
Durex regret to inform her that her birth has been an accident.
Right.
They have now upgraded their condom, so mistakes like that would never happen again.
No, go happen again. I think
again. Raga.
Our birth was a grave mistake. Yes. Let us issue a disclaimer. The lady run jokes, so we don't want people to in any way interpret what she's saying in any way to suggest that Durex condoms are not durable and they don't protect and things. She does a run joke and everything. And of course, the joke end by saying all Durex condoms, they're on a level right here. No way.
No,
why is you about that? Yeah.
Again.
But you heated for her, man.
Yes, Raga, for me couldn't sleep. Me say, oh, she don't know nothing about me, but she a lie, she a tell. A lie. She sound like one whole pop down old woman. All if me sound like one whole pop down old woman. Me all and pop down, but me no idiot. Because me now make she carry for her big nasty plate full of germs come put before me and me go eat out there.
Yes. Okay. You now lick out no girl gravy out of them plate.
That's right, Raga.
All of the ladies, if you know, say you now lick out no girl gravy out of them plate, say what? Yo, I'm going keen over in there today, eh?
I want Michelle if you laugh, Michelle, laugh every day and mad them.
I'm mad them.
Nastiness them. You see them?
Emily. The lady says she want you to laugh. Tell her that for me. Tell her.
I want you to laugh every day. No, stop laugh. Laugh and mad in nastiness them. Make them stress out. We have calm for them. They sell some people when them calm. We calm them down. So laugh, Michelle. And you see them, a young girl, them, you know, and their mind bad. That's why they not have walk up behind. That's why they must walk up behind. That's why monkey not have climb up and down in a them tree. Girl limb to limb in a them tree. Bad mind girl and they sit down and hear you laugh and you tell them to shut them thinking mouth.
It's very funny.
Why not tile it that there? Tile it a good something, a latrine. Tell them to shut them latrine. And I'm going to send one back like James come give you and one bucket of hashes. When time them a fool around you, you tell them say you have it. I'm going to throw in there and piece of board to cover it, tile it. Cover the latrine seat.
No, Sha kill me.
Remember, back like James come give you and the bucket of hashes. Anytime they call and so you say, me have it James and the ashes to throw in the latrine and the piece of board to cover it.
Yeah. Bless them.
Try no we want you know. We have to give one. No, we have to go. What kind of radio name we can give you?
Still call me 10-speed bicycle because me can still ride.
That okay, I only have 10 speed.
A country me come from.
Country you come from. One up your country talk. Nobody shame of your country talk. Talk like how you come from. This show supports everybody being comfortable with who they are and not trying to pretend to be somebody else. that is one of the purpose of this show. So any breed of pat who no want chat, on a call Ragashanti and ring out the dirty part upon them. Who want vex, make them vex.
You don't say a girl left. Me just imagine, me just look upon her, say right before her face, right. Public sanitary convenience. And we want dash right latrine. So I'm not toilet that. I'm not toilet. A latrine. Latrine.
Where you see that for the right part of her face?
Yes, all hood rat.
PSC. Some of them are PSC, public sanitary convenience, dash latrine. Okay.
Yes, she don't know me, but she got I like that hell. She not sound good. Bad mind people. Where she not call in and talk where she want to. Me I talk about my business. Me I talk about man, me I talk about woman from me no love woman. Me treating
so 10 speed. But you say she's also a key and piece.
Yes. Every man can come in, come broke and gone.
You know that little careless can piece so you drive from where you go country drive rivers a roadside where them sugar.
Upper country me live in Raga. Upper country me live in. So me
which area I live in? Which parish you live in?
Up in a Kelly, me there Raga.
Okay, deep up in a St. Catherine, the Kelly. The Kelly there, right?
Yes. Up in a Clarendon top there.
Clarendon top. Light up yourself, man. And think, well, I don't know, so I love country people, you know, so everything is everything. So
and they can't stop in Raga. Every day me used to hear on radio. We don't have no road, and we don't have no water. I feel much here. At time for we hear something I know what going on. For me never know there's so much bad mind people there, especially young people. Michelle, I laugh and it's mad them.
Just a laugh alone and kill them, don't.
Mad them. My God.
Tell me something I know. You said the woman who did that text said for you, so she must have a relative over broadcasting commission, no?
Yes. Either she named Del Citia, then said Del, she said Citia. Either she named Del Citia Green or Del Citia Dunn, but me more sure she had done. If I name Dunn fit her.
It don't. Now, how Cardell Green and Upton don't care listen to this and laugh? What they listen to this and laugh or they take it personally? Okay.
That's young to do. Still don't have daytime for fast.
All right. Blessings that you take care of your 10 speed.
Yes, take care. They can't stop.
Love your darling.
Laugh,
no,
Michelle.
never.
Laugh for me, Michelle. Laugh before me.
I can't laugh on cue, but you're funny.
Yes, man. That is all right. Laugh again.
All right, 10 speed. Large up yourself. Are you like Kellich them for no?
All right. Yes.
All right. Emily, she bad.
She bad. You know, like she has them for laugh, but I mean, who laughs on cue, but she phone them can't help it.
Right. But you know, all right, Emily, you know we have a thing amongst ourselves where we say thick skin and broad back, don't you?
Yeah, man.
And don't me tell you, so when people done you, me don't want you to get defensive. It's either you're going to fight back, done them back,
exactly,
or you ignore it, but me don't want to hear you complain. I'm going to tell you and Chris Cross at all right. Don't them done me wicked, one seed, ragga, beer things and whatever. I know I'm wallet. And more time, I will argue back and thing because we say thick skin and broad back. You know what I like about the United States?
Yeah.
Every night you turn on them TV, they make fun of the leaders them. They make fun of Barack Obama, Jill Leno, David Letterman, the whole of them. They make fun of Barack Obama. They make fun of Rush Limbaugh. They make fun of Nancy, what she want to name. They make fun of everybody, all of the leaders them or whatever. And the leaders them just understand the thing, them just play along with it.
Yeah.
Them just know say comedian and make fun of them. Man. In a Jamaica, you have some people that going like you can't run a joke around them, and them want to come kill you off. And all a send message, boy, you must not mention them name and all them thing there. You understand? You understand? You know, them just look on power and status in a very different and
them realize that that's why them life sad, you know?
No, but even in England, them can't tell it. They make fun of the Prime Minister. They make fun of everybody over there. You know, when you're the Prime Minister, get up and make up nice pan, you know, comedian. And that. In fact, them go back on the comedian, them show and them laugh and chat with them. You understand? Yeah, man. You understand? But in Jamaica, you have some little self-righteous people who just intoxicated with a little bit of power and a little bit of status with them have in our little humble Jamaica. Yeah. And go on like say you know say nothing about them or you can't run look a joke about them or anything. Me know say from me in the public eye people are gonna make fun of me. But work with it. You understand? Me like what the woman say a while. Don't say nothing here, so Michelle. Me like what the woman say a while ago. Me love it. Del Citia Green, Del Citia down on come back me. Anyway, Moving straight to the phone line right here now. What the people around here, you know? I don't want to some look. Sure. Anyway, go back, yeah, man. We want to hear how you catch people, how you catch people when they get born. I give you some mix up when how you catch your man and get born, and how you catch your woman and get born, and how you see somebody get catch and get born and thing. Call in and rinse out the different things, them. You understand? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Greetings, Malaya.
First for your show, brethren.
My respects, sir.
Yeah, man, I'm going to tell you something I have to big you up, because every day I listen to your show, and sometimes I work, I hide and listen, because some people in my workplace, they make me know, say, I know good show to listen to, but me know when I listen to and I enjoy myself, it make me day every day.
All right, Papa.
Yeah, man,
All
some
right.
blessings and big up, but me have one little mix up to you still.
Rinse.
All right. All right, you have this lady where her husband dead.
Yeah.
So she got meet a little man where, you know, she said, boy, she had take her the money because she don't have nobody for herself, you know.
Right.
So she want a two-story house, upstairs, downstairs.
Yeah.
So she decided, say, boy, she'll move in the man after she and the man get together for a portion of time.
Right.
So she moved in the man. She and the man live happily and everything are going, everything nice, everything pretty, everything fat. Here we go
Right.
now. Certain time the man come in early, certain time he come in late. So
All right,
Friday
wait there. One second. Don't move a muscle. Just let me take a time signal there. Remember, just take
all
a
right,
time.
no problem, no problem.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the things
The time is
15 minutes after 3 o'clock. Yes, Carla.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so you say she have a two-story house where she live in and her husband dead and she pick up one next little man where she a juggle.
Yeah, man. I go and get her sort out. Everything pretty weird that is concerned. See? So what I did, you know, after the man start coming late sometime, early sometime. And all of a sudden, early start become later and later. Man come in one Friday evening, she said the man are coming early. So she sit down now, put on her, you know, Friday night thing to attract the man and the man come in.
Uh-huh.
What now is that she ring the phone, so I ask him when she ring the phone and say, where you there? He said like I said, boy, I'm down at John shop. Alright?
Yeah.
So like he said, down at John shop. So he said, alright, so you soon come? He said, yes. So hours beat like hour, 2 hour past, you know, she not see him come. So she goes on the outside, you know, she anxiously await him coming home. She go up on the outside now and no, hold on, I miss out a part.
Yeah.
You have no. One of the days he come in and say, boy, when I sister, I have a problem with her man.
Yeah.
I asked if he could have just put her up for a while until she sort out herself. Because true, she have the downstairs of the house empty and she live on the upstairs with him.
Right.
So she move in, she okay and move in her sister with her 3 youth them. Anyway.
With the fear sister, she move in.
No man, the man's sister. The man's
Theme sister, yeah. All right. So you say theme
Yeah.
sister, yeah.
Right, so the man is our sister, so he move in and everything all right, and them a live all right and thing. So this Friday night now, when he look in, see him come in. So when he call him, he send down a John shop. So when he call him again, after he wait like about hour, 2 hours for him, he realize he still not come and call him back and say, what you say you there? She come outside that night in her negligee, whatever she have on. And say, what you say you there? He said, he done a John shop still. So it's like he might hear the phone and echo back in a film phone. So he move the phone from his ears and he said, where you there? I move the phone from his ears. When he listen, now downstairs, the man there.
With the so-called sister though. With the so-called sister
downstairs. When he realized that man, baby mother moving. With the 3 picking them.
With the 3 picking them. That time she there with the woman. That time in there with the woman and live upstairs with her.
Yes.
I tell her, I asked the woman to make him bring in him sister with her 3 picking them. That time I be able. So downstairs, him there soccer and baby mother,
Sort
no?
out the baby mother every night.
Every night.
Every night he sort out the baby mother, and then when the woman has the boy he come in early. At first he come in early sometime, late sometime. That time when he see him coming in late, I downstairs in there with the baby mother. So
But see him have to quiet when he down there.
yeah, he must be quiet on the phone now, game way. So it's kind of a phone mix up this.
Okay. So how it end up now? What she do? She run him out with him and the baby mother?
No, she run it. She said she go run him out. But the last time me check, she said, boy, she can't bother run him out there, because from once the sort out, all right, you know, really business if she want to share, if him want to share the sort out. So we go and
She
live with
said
the
from
sort out.
once the sort out, all right, she not, it not really matter to her.
It don't
That
really
she
matter
said.
to her no more.
So what happened to him baby mother and the pit of them?
Them live the same way, but them don't talk.
So she made the baby mother and the pit of them stay in her house, the same place downstairs, and she said,
Because if the man move out, he might not get no more sort out. Because the man have
nah,
to
get
move
no
out.
more work.
Right. So,
Okay.
what happen, so she just have to accept it and ensure, say, boy, the man stay, start out downstairs and then come start out upstairs. So she don't have a problem.
Well, him say upstairs and downstairs
And
work,
downstairs.
no?
Yes, shit. Because him do both, I hurt them too, you know.
No, all him know if you ask him and say, then you ever go downstairs, that him say, with me, that is different, you know, with me. Man love us. Man love us, man, if them go downstairs.
Yeah,
with him, them
so.
gonna say, well, listen, no, with me, that different. You don't really know my situation. So,
Right.
you know, if me go tell her the truth, you're going to misunderstand me. So I will not answer that question. Anyway, respect for the mix-up here.
Yeah, man, I'm more to what that time, you know, right now, but trust me.
Cooler, man.
Yeah,
Let's go on. Everything is everything, man. It goes somewhere. We there whole of strength. See. Stop who? When I look upon them, I'm stronger than the whole of them.
All
okay.
right. Don't say another
Okay.
word. Bless up, my brother.
All right, Papa. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you catch somebody who are born. What are the ways in which you can catch somebody who are born? We want to call in and we want to get some call panel levels there in the road. We want to get some call panel levels. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. One of the biggest mix-up important to Raga
Yes.
is that there nobody important to when you get in nationwide, and we are disturbed, we are disappointed. It's one of the biggest mix-up important to you. Nobody getting nationwide, we are disturbed.
All right. Management, when I hear that, the lady call in, she said one of the biggest mix-up important to you is that nobody is picking up nationwide.
My God, none of your listeners, we are disturbed. And so me from 1 o'clock, there's no way we can get nationwide. We're going to stand something to it.
All right. Management here, man, so they're going to sort out that quick. They're going to sort out that here.
Me don't want a big promises, you know.
No, well, but me tell you the truth. Me tell you the truth. Me not have no control over that part that you know, don't it?
Yeah, me know, brother, but why?
So, but me I talk to them, man. Me go talk to them.
We're disappointed bad over here, man.
Me go talk to them. Me go talk to them. Me go talk to them.
Please, urge them.
All right, me go urge them. All right, then put us. You take care. Oi. All right, then. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Hi, Raga.
Hello, all right. What's up?
I'm kind of nervous, but I need your advice on something.
Okay, let's hear.
I met this guy at the 8th of January. And
You met a guy on the what? The 8th of January.
The 8th of this year, January. He came to
All
my
right.
father grave digging.
Yeah.
And so I don't know what, but we end up talking. At first, we never liked him, but we get to talk and everything.
Right.
And we started having a sort of a relationship or something. I'm not sure what it was.
Okay.
But we end up, the thing that you said about the sort out that you can turn someone in an idiot, well, I think you can turn someone in an idiot too.
Oh, no man, sort out can't turn it, both man and woman in an idiot. So tell me what you say. It turn you in an idiot?
Probably. Because
Why? Is it best thing you ever? Is it best sort out you ever get?
in a long time.
Oh, in a long
In a
time.
long
And the
time.
best. Okay, so when they say turn you in an idiot, oh, you know you're turning an idiot. Right.
Because like you have this money and you just can't wait for him call. And like after that time, yeah, when that go call you back and everything. Not that you have low self-esteem or anything, you know, but
Right,
you know,
right.
it was so good, you have to wonder, and he was the full package, like the swiping and you know the sort out.
Oh, the full package. So you said the swiping was good and the sort out part was good too. You're saying, right?
Right.
Okay. So everything did good and you just can't forget about it, don't you?
Right. Him name Tandere. When him gone, you still like him still there with you.
Hold on. Tambourine! Yo, big up the man them who una name Tandere. All one on the coat and gone is like una still there. IT and fancy cat. Now worry yourself, the talk and run the place. Big up the man them who name Tandere. One on the sort out and cut, una still there. Okay, all right then, go and talk, I know.
Yeah, so he's from down St. Elizabeth and I'm in Manchester.
Okay.
So, interestingly, him we drive like, say, 2 o'clock in the night, can't see me.
Yeah.
So, me say, yeah, everything locked.
Nice.
Yesterday now, something happened, like, him come up Saturday, and after him come up Saturday, he was supposed to help me do some things. And him want a certain kind of food to eat, so I gone up at the shop, go and look it, and I leave him there with my cousin, fiancé. By the time I come back, I see the morning, you know.
Sunday morning. And what you do? You go somewhere, go get something, you say?
So he said he wanted some type of a breakfast thing. He even bring a
Right.
like when he wants.
Right.
Yes, so what was not there, I went to get it. He asked me to go and
Right.
get it. But
Right.
returning, I don't see him.
All right, stop right there,
that
sir.
was there.
Hold on. When you left, who you left him there with?
My cousin's fiancé.
Your cousin is a woman, right?
No, he's a man. He's a man. My
he's
cousin
a man.
is a woman who have a man that me left him there with to go and shop and park.
So it's a man you left him there with, right?
Yes.
And when you come back, you see the man the same, and what the man tell you, say?
So him gone down a yard to something, down a bottom house to something, he soon come back.
Right. And what you say now?
Him did bring some things for me wash out for him and everything. But when he come back, I don't see him, and then I try call him and I not get through to him. And I like, we didn't have any problem or anything, you know.
So from yesterday morning till now, you are calling him and you not hear nothing from him?
No, I not get through. And everything was good until then. I don't know what happened. Even in the morning when he matched at the last work, him did I search out the land and me asked him, so why am I search the land? Where am I look for? He said, I must look how he just pretty.
Oh, so you say in the Sunday morning when him did a chop the last word there and thing, him did actually search the land. And when you ask him where he search the land for, he must say, oh, the land was pretty, so he must look on the land.
Yeah.
And in case people don't know, share use code, sort out code. So up to the last minute, nothing ever wrong then?
Nothing never wrong.
Well, it could be, it could, to be honest with you, it could range from something serious to something simple. So make we give look more time. No?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it don't sound to me like is anything wrong with you or anything you do wrong or anything like that.
No, because he always congratulate me up until I don't know what happened.
No, man, but remember say I just yesterday morning, you know.
I just yesterday.
Me know, then wait, you know anybody for him?
No, my stepmother and my sister live nearby his house down there. But
them no say you and him deal?
Only my sister don't let my stepmother know anything.
Your sister know, but then tell her for just look out, and if you see him, tell her for just give her a call and about to send nothing to him. You tell her say you know see him from yesterday morning and you just want to know say everything alright with him.
But I don't think nothing happened to him. I think he probably live a double life like him have some other people.
Up where you there?
No, him not have nobody else up with me there, but down there probably him live with somebody or, you know.
No, but what you're saying is that he would have left and not tell you say him gone.
It's the first time.
It wouldn't be the first time.
The first time he never do that. Leave and say anything.
Then that may I tell you, it could, well, no, me just I tell you, say it could be something simple to something serious. I wouldn't worry about that too much, here. Just make give it some more time. You soon hear from him because, remember, you know, the last thing you remember is that him are looking at upon the land and I saw the land pretty, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, after, and him did done walk up and him did done step up in the land, though.
Yeah.
And when he done walk up and down in the land, him a look and I say, what a land pretty, but let me tell you something.
Strange come, me never hear nobody say land.
No. Listen, me a man, me I tell you, I say anytime man do that, I rate them rate you. Me, I tell you that. Anytime you see man do that, I put on some work in and them have to stop and look on it. And look on it and wonder, what is the sweet so? Remember me tell you, say you think shell down. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah.
Okay.
Mr. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah.
Hallelujah, Raga.
Say thank you, Master God, for my blessing. Say so.
Thank you, Master
Me say it. Thank you, Master God, for my blessings.
Thank you, Master God, for my blessing.
My girl, you have the must come back. Him can't forget your address. Him can't remember your land where him did keep that dance. I'm mad. Don't worry yourself. We'll take a break here, but keep me updated, all right? Take care.
Okay, thanks.
We soon forward, people. Hallelujah.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love and no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, you know. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our sitting. It's all about Mix-Up Entertainment on the show here with me, the king of Mix-Up, Ragashanti, the principal, Mr. Washbelly. Blessings to all massive and crew. Big up all of my good Jamaican people. I'm down to earth to the max. And I want to love the little sitting right here because I understand that it's all about laugh, learn, and grow. That's our motto. I want to call in and rinse out the things them pan. The Mix-Up. Oh, you catch somebody when them a give bun. Oh, you catch somebody when them a give bun. What are the ways in which, what are the things and the technique you did have to use to catch somebody when them a give bun? Call in and make we know them, you see it. I tell with the things them you see other people use and catch people when them a give bun. Yeah? We want to know them mix up there. Or, if you have any other shell down turn up mix up, call in and rinse out the things them. Call in and rinse out the things them for any other mix-up on a mad. They'll see it green. They'll see it done. I don't know, me a pop up. Anyway. Give me a call. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
What?
There.
No, say, boy, I'm not telling you, no, me, I have to tell you straight in a raga.
You see it?
Yeah, but you know, I can't pray the things from the other day and say, you know, there's a thing will bring the ghetto, the unite and things like that.
All right.
Yeah, I'm going to look back on it and say, yo, rather black man, so rather bring the thing together, so unity there, so. I don't know why we are fight you, and we are black man too. But I see it as I say the broadcasting commission again, a bigger fight. So
yeah.
You know, myself, I have to go pick a side. I'm going to pick Ragashanti side, you see it?
Me give thanks, my lion. Me give thanks.
So, I know, say, a good thing I go on with still, see it. Even though most times I call them, I see I get them, I to support them call it still. And basically,
all right.
When I see more time I hear some mix-up still, but I feel I rather people I'm telling them. That's my opinion still, you see it?
No, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, but big one thing still, yeah, I call you other things still, you see it? But I have a simple phone mix-up still, you see it?
All right, Papa, say that.
Alright, I have a nigga still, I'm a pie. You see him?
Yeah.
But he claim to say him be call him and him did it on him phone. Nigga today. love talk all over, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, boy, be it, you know, I love you, and I can't stop loving no matter what, and all these things. They don't know the things that, you know. And the nigga, when I time I see the nigga, I smile off him face, but guess what, other?
What?
Phone go ringing in the nigga ears. And me I say, then, boy, you're on the phone and talk on the phone. What kind of phone you have? The nigga say, the new type of phone ever does come out the other day. So it works.
So I lie about tell the whole time.
Yeah, man, the thing I did one love story all over, man. I mean, I say, yeah, after them loving, when I hear the phone ring, man, I laughing, poor, the whole place turn up. Yeah,
You
man,
see it?
That car that comes from out of mobility, you see it?
All right, Papa. Blessings and respect, man.
Yeah, man, but I make you know, say, yo, I like the thing where you keep up, they just go on the thing, man, and you know, say, yo, I want the nigga them, I know the nigga them where I fight the thing, them produce.
Yeah.
This is how you make your deal thing, because you unite the people, I mean, you make well laugh, you know, you make well
Cool,
laugh.
man. But two things I want you to know. One, you have the Broadcasting Commission who are fight me, but you have people who are use the Broadcasting Commission. So you have some other people, them are use the Broadcasting Commission. They have had several meetings with people in the Broadcasting Commission, and they have come up with a way, I understand, which is, I guess the objective is to get rid of me after I read it. So is the Broadcasting Commission along with some other people in a society. And we could have gone into the details why and thing, but you will hear more about that later on here.
Yeah,
but there, man, how is the strength?
You see what I use, them do a lot of things to stop you, they see it.
Long time.
I say things, but yo, just go on with everything, man, angle business, man, because you think shot here.
Cool now, Papa. All right, bless you. Yeah. One thing we do from get to it. Fighting on a one-time thing for we. From we born, we are fight. So we will fight for the rest of our life. And we will enjoy the fight too. You understand? That's how it done. So bring it. Bring it. They'll see it green, they'll see it. Good afternoon, hello.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon, Ragashanti.
Yes, greetings.
What I'm going to do?
But they are making a wallet, you know?
Why, I'm going to tell you, my ear just more for bigger. My kind of thing that my wife said, I'm going to okay. I'm going to say, here, man. My ear just, I have a baby before I get up for there, and police calling. And say, please, I bridge for the policeman right now, so more to bigger up there.
Hold on. She have a baby father.
Yeah.
And police all her baby father.
Yeah.
Why?
She and the policeman talk now.
And when in dealing with the policeman about arresting her baby father, she end up a breed for the policeman, you know.
Yeah, right. No, so more to bigger up there.
Tambourine!
Can I get one name?
No, you can't talk no name. You can't.
I get one name.
Oh, you get her name?
I want to tell you something different, still like that. My first time calling about long time this year, my holiday was a program, and I love the program. No matter what I say, I'm going to tell my friends here, I'm going to come on boss, email say. I come on right, my and no matter what I'm going to fight, I'm going to talk, no matter what, say me, I'll go to you, I'm going to respect you. Come to you, I have a road model, so just keep it there, good work.
I give thanks, my lion, I give thanks, here.
I kind of like the way you talk about the swiping thing, because some people are doing it enough for them really.
Hold on. When people calling at them talk about the swiping thing, you know. If you listen, all right. So we just need to clarify that. If you listen carefully and really mean talk about it, you're a swiper. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you are you proud to be a swiper?
Sure. I don't see anything wrong with that.
You don't see anything wrong with it. Tell me something.
You do it on your tongue more, you do it on your eye.
But what may I say? A whole heap of Jamaicans, they are grappling.
I'm a workplace, a beer swiper.
Are your workplace a beer swiper, did?
Yeah, he's a supervisor swiper.
Even the super, all of the man them are there at your workplace right now, them swipe.
50 of them, 30 of them are swiper.
30 of them are swipe. But what may I ask you, Dada, is this. There is that one of the reasons why enough people burn out a shoe and thing like that is because people talk about swiping all the while and thing and whatever, and them don't think they're supposed to. In other words, a whole heap of Jamaican have serious problem with swiping. What you have to say to them about it?
Right,
What you
now,
have to say to them, boy?
Swiping. Right now, I get for swipe right now. So, unless me can give my number by you know, ain't gonna like me. I want you can call me. Ain't gonna get a car.
You want to give your number? You want to give your number over the year, and if a woman want you swipe them call you.
Yeah.
All right, go.
I'm not a trouble with them.
What that?
Even homosexual, I'm not a trouble with them.
What you mean, even not homosexual? What you?
Well, I mean,
What you
even
mean?
gay can call me with talk when I promote that.
You can't. You swipe man too?
No, I never swipe a man. I've never been to a man before, but you don't know what can happen. So, may I just give me that?
Hold on. You swipe woman, but you never swipe man. But you say if a man want to call you for swipe, him can call you for swipe too.
No, not really just a swipe, but just a talk. We know what can happen. Yes, sir?
Are you saying that you're open to swiping a man?
Well, no, I don't think so. But I don't think about me. Just swipe woman.
Hold on. You say you swipe woman and you know if you swipe woman. But you say and you want to give out your number. But you say even if a homosexual want to call you, them can't call you. Then that means say you want to swipe a man or you want a man swipe you.
Wait, what problem happened to that? What problem when we got like that?
Then I'm just ask you, but you kind of go around the thing. You kind of go around the thing.
I just give my number now. Anybody want to come and can call me, alright?
Well, are you a prostitute?
Well, come you a skater like you, know?
No, well, no, me's a skater, but a two different skater right there.
Yeah, but, well, I'm you like me not about that.
No, well, me I tell you, me no swipe man no swipe me. But if you say you open to swiping a man, me don't swipe man don't swipe me. Me no swipe. Alright? But when me I say, if you are open to it and you want to leave your number, leave your number.
Okay, my number is 35 10 66 35 10 66. You can call me anytime. 35 10 66. Wait, 35 10.
No man, that no sound right. That sound like 6 number.
No. 5 10 66.
Well, say out the number them one by one.
Okay, 3.
Yeah.
3 5 10 66.
3 5 10 66.
Yeah, 3 5 10 66.
Alright.
You hear it?
Probably them we understand it.
No.
But hear me, man.
It's 3 5 6 10 10. 3 5 6 10 10.
Alright, so do your things.
So anyway, I'm coming to the arena. I'm a lot of Stewart one, Stewart fell off. And lots of people can't stop it. We're reading the Bible for them.
Alright.
So I'm just a listen call 3 5 6 10 10.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, boy. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga. It's the first time on your program, and you make my $100 done. It done.
It don't. Well, and something to root. The root they start out that the famous. Give me a next caller in the meantime. Hello. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Raga?
Yeah, man. Talk up.
Oh, yeah, hear me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I say. But they have a look man, you see? And one night, him come to my house every night, come sleep, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And one night, me not hear him come. And me I call him phone, him not answer.
Yeah.
So I decide to call my taxi driver, and my taxi driver come for me in a sea view. When I go to him house, as I reach the back window, so I come on, me hear a moan in him house.
Man.
When me hear that, I just pop out the window them. And after the girl run out, and when him come out, I just grab him, and give him some lick. I'm near, but them have to grab me and find him. And when
then
I never didn't know, so I ratchet stab him.
3
Yeah, what you say?
to my game.
Oh, you mean you don't even know, say, oh, hold on, oh, you mean you don't even know, say, you ratchet stab him? Hold on, me not understand, oh, you mean you don't even know, say, how can somebody not know, say, that,
the things I never realized.
and you stab him wicked?
I admit in a hospital.
Then, hold on, the girl know, which door she run through?
I can't tell her my name, because if anybody hear my name, people can call and say a true about it.
Yeah, all right, what you name?
Angel, do nails out of 3 Mile.
All right, Angel from 3 Mile. What me I say now? So you, him come over, come check you regular, and him not come and you call him number and can't get him. So you,
every night.
so you go over female house and you hear woman in there ball out under the strength, don't? And when you say you pop out the window,
the door locked and my key bolted from inside, so what my key could pull it. So I just pull out the window then because the window no grill up. I'm thought after the girl pull the door and run out. I want to run out, I just grab him from in my face and sort him out.
so hold on, the girl run past you quick. Hold on, Angel. So the girl run past you, cut past you.
Cut rest me.
No, I know how you feel now wasted, but I rate the girl though.
I'm glad she do it too. I'm with me. I'm glad that she never hold first.
No, then I thought me I said she's smart, she read the play and goes, and cut and left the angel and think she knows say if anything and she have a muka. What that?
I have a 3-month belly.
You did have a 3-month belly when you're down there in them drama there?
Yes.
We see a man.
The same man.
So what did happen after police lock you up now and thing and
no, them never lock me up no. Because I'm not ugly. I'm not talk them out and get sent home same time, but them just ask me for coming in the morning and get a report.
Oh, okay. What you say? You look good girl. You look good girl, you're not ugly.
Shirt.
Hold on, man. Hold on, you not hear me, you know. You look good girl, you not look ugly. So what you say? You just talk out the policeman them.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you forward down a Huntsby, you give statement.
No, I never Huntsby. Olympic Police Station.
Oh, up Olympic, then you have to be a farm road there and thing.
Yeah.
So how that did end up? You and him did still there after that and everything?
No, the boy up to yesterday, the boy still called me and I 1 year ago, that from a year before last November. And him still called me.
When I know, Uno didn't left after that?
Yeah, man, I left him same time.
Okay. So how it go with you?
God just take it.
Oh.
I never have to spend no 15 grand for your bath. I lose it.
Well, you have a miscarriage? You have a miscarriage?
Yeah. I'm not sorry though.
Is that miscarriage you did have or you did about it?
No, I did willing for the draw the money for do it. But through the whole heap I act up my body.
Yeah.
It sent me in the hospital two nights after. So Jubilee and Ward 5.
Okay. And then you have a miscarriage?
Yeah.
So what you say, I'm still a step to you?
I tell you, I can't stop you near your heart and you still call me. Next time when you think I'm going to make you leave next time, just say hello, me, huh?
No, me agree with that. Me not there with violent woman, you know. From woman violent, me can't there with them.
Violent. Do I sound like somebody is violent?
Listen to me. Don't ramp with me in a boy, you're not violent. You can't stop somebody near them heart and tell me, boy, you're not violent. I hear that you take me for.
The boy knows love him like that and I'm not over.
Me not deny that say mess with your heart. But the way how he mess with your heart and the way you mess with female, he mess with your heart by giving you bun. You mess with female by stabbing him near to female. That's two different. Oh, you mean you're not violent? You're a violent girl.
No, I'm not.
No, but don't listen to me.
Sweet things, but
what you say? What you say? You're just a different sweet thing.
Yeah.
Man, you hear you change up your voice and sound sweet and sexy a while ago, but you still have it in your stop a man at near him. You Yo, you think you're nice? You think you're nice? You put on your cute, sexy voice. I'm not, listen to my voice.
Alright, so
I'm
you're
not a
not
violent
on the
person.
police then,
I
man.
was just defending my sweet thing and whatever. Boy, you stop man near to him hard. Yo, me afraid of you. How am on your band? How am on your band?
New Year's Day.
Jesus. Me not lie, you laugh sexy for true, you have that little giggle and thing. That's why I want to can't tell me with it. I know. I just so know. Uno will laugh and stop people kill them same way. Anyway, a blessing. Be laughing. Yo, a blessing though. Here, let's go and take it. You want to tell me your name on the radio?
Yes, I don't have a problem with that.
You know, so if you tell me your name, though, you're going to get hundreds of friend requests, though. You know that, though. Just tell me your name. Exactly. You know who you're going to accept friend requests from, and you know who you're not going to accept it from. All right, tell me your name. Tell me your name right now. Tell me your name.
I have to spell my first name for you, though.
Spell it.
It's Naka.
Naka. I want to people that type now, yeah?
Nakaya.
YA.
Morgan. Nakaya Morgan, that is.
All right. Me see. Nah, you not look too bad. You not look too, well, the picture
all
not
right,
look
then.
too bad. All right. But just send it to you, yeah?
Okay, and it's the first time on your program, and I enjoy your program, okay?
All right, then, Nakaya, you take care, sweetie, with that sexy laugh of yours, all right? And stop up, man. Stop up, man.
I'm not doing it anymore.
I'm like your good body, you know?
Yeah.
No, I'm like that look of pose there, you know? It look like you can curve up.
Oh, you're so fussy already. Yeah, like, what me in that?
You in gray jeans. You look wash out thing them at the front. Stripe blouse, cross. You seem to have an either pink or red brassiere.
All right, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Just send it a friend request, here.
All right, darling.
All right. Stop up, man. Oh. All right, then. Pick up Nakai, all right, there and sit. Yeah, we keep it away upon the show, still, you know, so we don't want nobody get it too twisted and going like, you know, want come bad mind the thing and violate the thing. You see, we don't have a problem I send out a friend request. Yo, well, give me a call. I could see how quick we can deal with that caller before the break. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Them thing them bright. All right, that's 4 o'clock now. Take the news and come back to me. Raga, time for a talk. Judgment come.
Judgment come, Neville. Hello?
All right.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the thing.
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, you know. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I said. Hey! Yo, no, me real serious about them thing there, no. You are who you are. From me see woman violent and them avoid them because my equation is real simple for that thing. Me have a temper, My head hot. So my reasoning is, it make sense for me to dance, so I'm going to do with somebody. I get involved with somebody for them to dance. So it don't make sense. And I don't know, say, I am patently opposed to all kind of violence in a relationship. I think it is senseless. I think it is stupid. Honestly. The only time me was violent with somebody must attack me and me I defend myself. and you could have been the cutest little feminine, sweetest little thing there is. If you attack me, be prepared to be attacked. So all this nonsense about woman can't lick you down with frying pan and because you're a man, you know, for put your hand back on them. Me no join that. If a woman whap me, I whap her back. Right? But you not get me put my hand on a woman with an argument. Or all when a woman disrespect and violate me, wicked. Me not putting my hand on her. For what? For me, you go prison and I hide from man, and she there road I take her next man. You must be mad. Me I left that. She could have pretty like gold. Me I left that. Big and serious, you know. If all a man like me go put my hand on woman, I mean that work listen, look how much woman out there want me. Look how much woman out there me can get. If a man like me go put my hand on woman, all them, me all hear some big DJ a beat woman and me know sound not gonna vex with me, no, but I work listen. All on the big DJ and big entertainer and them top man, some money man or whatever, who a beat woman or whatever this and I work listen. Cause they can't get a bag of that woman or whatever and this and that. Me, them could have disrespect me looking woman. Me not putting my hand on no woman. Left that and go find the next woman. Go look Lisa and her. Oh, alright. I lucky me that happened to me. But anybody, whether man, woman, dog, donkey, cow, braid-tone man, petite Q, anybody put them hand on me. Me reserve my right for put my hand back on them and defend myself. I don't care. Because this nonsense on what woman supposed to fire up lick all boxman and all them things. And because you are a man, you must not do it. And I'm going to talk about, oh, look at a big old braid-tone man like you. You can't look for lick back that little girl. Do or put your hand on me. Do or put your, because I will never put my hand on you. So you must put, I'm a man, me tell you all the while. All men listen to me right now. If you cannot be 100% safe asleep around a woman, don't do with her. And if you're 100% safe asleep around her, and one day she say or do something to make you 90% safe asleep around her, left her clot, left her. Me and the one to talk to a woman and she may call some careless argument. Boom. Woman that does two a tile in your ears when you ask. I eat that, you know. It done this. Done this. Done. Keep all the things that I gone look Lisa on her. Oh, that must say. Who want vex. When I'm business, when I take them things. You see? So, how Karen, I don't even understand what I'm going to say, man. Sometimes I'm going to post some things I don't even know about it. Okay, what we depend is how you catch somebody where I get born. We want some call in and tell we some of the creative ways them, some of the smart ways them to catch somebody when I get born. With some phone thing, some generalship thing, some psyching out thing. Follow them. Right? Big up the woman where we talk about the serial number crew. The girl who check the serial number upon the condom and know where the man I use the condom then. You see it? I remember the woman with the socks. Me not care nobody was. Up till now, I feel that I want them to rate the most. That one that did shell down. The woman said the way how she catch fear man when I give on, she always check him socks. Him socks. You understand? Right? So if it's a situation where the man go take off him shoes, people socks pick up everything. Socks just have a way of it pick up everything. It pick up little minuscule particles off of the sheet, off of the ground. So you can imagine all the woman there look close upon the socks. No say all she wash the socks. And she said the socks pick up all some thread off of some strange sheet. You understand? I pick up all some strange dirt, you know. Because you know, from the man wear them socks the only time he's supposed to take off him shoes and when him come back home down. You see it? And when the woman break it down that day, then I say, mad. So we want to hear all them little ways that we want to find out the things. You have woman all wash man underwear and I check man underwear. Well, and you have man who check woman underwear to see if them give on. I think that, can somebody explain something to me this, because me don't know where the man them think them are going to find this. So. Me can't understand when a woman check a man underwear. Me, I put a reading to what me I say. What? Why am I going to find this? What? He can't tell the difference or anything. This. Well, me no. You don't understand what I say. Auntie, but anyway, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, me again.
Yes, Neville. Yes, Neville. Yes,
About
yes.
time.
Eh?
Hey, Raga.
Yeah, that's what I talk about. All I catch
Raga.
people, Neville. Yeah. Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Mr. Stewart.
Yes, sir.
Will you call me?
Yes, Neville.
Watch me. Listen to me now, Raga.
Yeah.
They about to kill me. Because everybody know your business. Who for what them not know for them one.
Yeah.
And everybody knows say you're this and that.
Yeah.
To the American holiday. Tomorrow, Bujo, I go out court.
Yeah.
And you remember, you hit ball and my bottom. I'm in a run joke.
No, Neville, why you have to go say? Why you have to go say it that way,
Neville?
Neville?
Send me where your mother. Because I lead from your mother fin tomb. You can't lead from Mr. Church tomb.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Raga? Now
Yes.
listen. You know what them not gonna like you?
Why?
You make them talk them business. When a man can come on the phone and talk about our man, you don't know advice. Hello?
Yeah.
Hold on. And them think them cute.
Yeah.
And them think them bright.
Yeah.
And them no man and star. All right. My mother love you like that. And then call me yesterday from foreign.
Yeah.
And my brother tell me same wife. I listen to you. And me tell him to listen to me. Because I remember, everybody I get fire now. Everybody rich. Me tell them, go on like Midas. The Midas.
Yeah.
Mr. Midas, think him gold. Drink the water for the gold. And you remember this?
Yes, sir.
England. The Queen is upon that. Canada.
Yeah.
The Queen is upon that. Who then are the... And me tell him, get bright. When if... listen. Then they give me a visa. Indefinite. And then say, never come back, come apply for your 10 year. Me never go back yet.
All right, Neville. Yeah, all right, Neville.
Mr. Stewart.
Yes, sir.
Them not go like you, no?
No, sir. No, sir.
Hello?
Hello? Get bright.
Hello?
Get bright.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Okay,
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell Bruce, never there.
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah,
you remember
never there. Tell
I
Bruce.
see him can't
Yes.
run joke with me. Everybody run joke. Mother.
Yeah.
Don't know who the father is. The children, them going to kill him off. You hear my friend?
Yes,
Mother,
sir. Yes, sir.
we are called Sarah. When me come a Blakely in that lock.
All right,
Run
Neville.
a
All
lock.
right. All right, Neville. Get bright.
Tell him
All right,
there.
Neville. Yes, Neville.
You hear
All
me,
right,
friend?
bless it. Yes, all right, my friend, bless it. People, don't even try to figure out, don't even press on yourself too much to figure out when me and Neville are reason. Because just love it. Just know, say, Neville, I defend the thing, and that's all they need to know. You understand? Neville, like, boss. Big up all of the Maxfield, linky, them and thing. You know, just love Neville, right? No. Don't even try to figure out what they say. You hear me say? They show what me to everybody. You understand? This is truly the democratic program here. We welcome everybody. Multicultural program. Anyway, and for those of you who are inquiring about the whole thing when me tell us, when me just make it known, say people from other radio stations, I get people for call the broadcasting. What I guess some of you don't understand. The Broadcasting Commission, as far as I know, does not keep a record of positive comments made about shows. As far as I know, perhaps Scott Green or Upton can call you and tell you otherwise. But as far as I know, I never hear them talk about positive statements made of radio stations, TV stations, or shows. But I know they keep a record of negative comments or negative statements made of radio stations or shows or whatever. Now, the Broadcasting Commission is of the opinion, well, they will tell you that my show received the most negative comments, right? In fact, they claim that the song, the Egyptian song, Hold You, that song got the most negative comments last year. And they made some statement to the effect like, probably it's only Raga show they get more negative comments than the Egyptian song, right? Them have a problem with the Egyptian. Remember, you know, them don't have a problem with Sparrow coming and talk about saltfish, and we know saltfish means salt out. That I play for years and years, and uptown people love it. Them don't have a problem with all them double entendre song that where the foreigner them sing and what the Trinidadians and Malta sing. Is when Jamaicans sing, them have a problem. But anyway, they keep a number of the amount of negative comments and things. So because people at other radio stations know that, what them do is them organize campaign for people call into the Broadcasting Commission and make negative comments about my show. One somebody who them tell if you do it, them tell the person to do it, but apparently never tell him how to do it. The person go ask somebody else, how you call into the Broadcasting Commission and make complaint because I want to call him about Raga show. Because so and so, I know a reason them say I must call him about Raga show. The so and so was both the manager of a radio station and a presenter on the radio station. So one of the prisoners I would tell him was somebody who have him own a show. And then the next one was the manager. But just a show now the things set down here, you know. So them call in now. You saw the game playing now. Them call in. And when the number them enough up now, the Broadcasting Commission now use those and say, because of all the complaints, we have to act. And there's more to it, but I can't tell you that more because all them are going to say is that, yeah, it happened, but prove it. If you can't prove it, we're going to sue you. That's why I can't tell you the rest. But I'm just like giving an idea for those of you who ask me how that part they go. So I saw them run the game. It's competitive people. My show do well, the show shot, it's successful, so them a fight it. And them a use the Broadcasting Commission for fight it. Right? I don't know, them must think a bag of money I make over here. So they're lucky. Anyway, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, Tony this from Gutters. I hear me listen to your show, you know. And when I want to know, so much people are fighting against your thing. And see what they are in the Doros inquest with Mr. Davis and all of them say, come out and do it, make a start it out. So I'm not hear nobody call and complain about it.
I don't know if it's Mr. Davis said that, you know. Was it Mr. Davis or Mr. Phillips? This is who say.
Mr. Phillips, my mistake. Mr. Phillips, come make a go out and do it to start it out. And when you talk and talk about your thing, they make it look like, say, where you are do is wrong. What kind of example that to the younger people then?
Yeah, well, you see, I will not hear nobody condemn them. We not hear nobody say, this a man are not supposed to be MP. We not hear nobody lead the campaign for remove anybody. And them type of hypocrisy did a long time and whatever, this and that.
Yeah,
but you know,
can better when you there and why your people are learn from your thing now. Everybody has to know.
No, that's what them done. So then tan. Long time thing. Long time thing.
But you show tell off, man. Me listen to your show every day. Me say it couldn't come on Saturday and Sunday.
We give thanks, my king. Large up, man. That's it.
Saturday and Sunday, man.
All right, Papa. Protection and strength here.
All right.
All right. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Raga, I have a man from a distribution company in Jamaica. Raga, I'm going to see the man I call, but the man I take it. Raga, every ATM this man go, he use swipe card all when him have no funds there.
From a distribution.
Leave me alone.
So then if him want up your body and all him, so big you know girl away.
Listen, I don't want him. I don't want him talking tongue after your shot, Raga.
Tambourine! Yo, big up the swiper them with them tongue of fire shot. I want to some machine gun tongue boy. Brap, 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 brap. Biggie, what you say you don't want him cause him tongue up?
Yeah, Raga, the boy got look on my friend, right? Me say Raga and to me say I would man, but I'm not call so I don't want him know so I'm a friend.
Right.
Raga, the girl turned to say with the man. I told you the man say, no, me not like a cross his mix up, girl. I don't think I love people business and start the things. Raga, me and a man in a buck up no way. Raga, can't wait him eat, me not eat. Raga, me sit dining table, I don't eat on the floor.
See, man.
Raga, same I tell the girl the things. So the girl come back. Raga, I just want him to know, say, my kitchen, my bathroom, door in my bedroom. Because Raga is cleansing it was a house. He would have leave out a door from him barn. He need to go tidy up the place, Raga. And all of the things them have from the distribution place in the house, he need to pack it one side.
So you say it's a man from a distribution company?
Yeah, the big distribution place say you will like Raga. Listen, every minute this man, the family name is tired and need to come out from my name. Raga, my name Biggie, my don't name Richelieu, and my don't name Aquafresh, need a Colgate.
You see, so if you allow you and you name Wrigley, so a guy if you stop chew up your name down.
Raga, more than when him get up in the man, him suffer tea, we say Biggie, everywhere Raga, me not go football match, and this man sit on a football match with my name, all about the man, my name, and the man don't know. Raga, him don't know nothing about me. Raga, all the thing I know, I go past some ends like would I say like a certain product in the house. I'm saying, where you get this from? I'm a friend, them we said to me, say, them get a man at a place, and the man do that. I'm say, expert Tom Stroke, and you say, oh, you know Tom Stroke. I'm say, why you want to ask Mary Jane about him, because them man, they float up strawberry. Raga, and them man, do it and them tell me back.
What you say, them man, they float up strawberry?
Yes, Raga, float up strawberry and make champagne pop and spill over.
All right, big enough. But when you say is a distribution place for me like?
Yes, Raga, can them distribute something where you will like. Raga, you always say you want, you ever say, room want a certain type of somebody for drink. That certain somebody you want for drink, and them distribute it, Raga.
All right, hold on. I think I know what you say, but because I don't want nobody run go think say a mandingo no, because I'm a mandingo yet.
No, Raga, no.
All right, stop right.
When I do in the day show,
Stop right there, sir. Stop right there, sir. Me know I know.
Right, someone, the man, to leave me alone.
All right, then it must just look. All right.
Raga, because the next feature match a water house have when him come, Raga, any him call my name again, right in front of the camera, which for the big people, them, the Raga, they go talk up the things about him, because remember them sponsor them things, they too, Raga.
Oh, okay. So what you say, him tongue a fire shot?
Right, Raga, I'm tongue is a big special. Raga, next story now.
Yes.
Raga, so the girl that call when you say me is a cockroach, you don't know the meaning of cockroach. Raga, when she a grow, them not tell us if you step on cockroach, you don't know when I'm belly, Raga. Raga, step on me, that's why I start them business.
All right.
I said, Raga, but you should have tell her she was a gospel grinder, Raga.
A gospel grinder, why?
Raga, them girl, Raga, you see me start have man, Raga. My ex, Raga, I take only for chance, because 2 times he breathe. They say me got a football match, I go training, Raga, so I don't practice jog, I just practice the kick off a goal, Raga. Says either, so Raga, when that girl name this car, so she have ears, she will tell her, Raga, so she go in a church, Raga. I come down thin, Raga, not even a toothpick or a dental floss, then they have more weight than she.
Okay. What you say not even now what?
Not even a toothpick or a dental floss, you know we are more than Raga. Raga, just say, slide down Migo quarters, no Raga, slide down La Cova, they got the bridge. I can go Black River and go over the bridge. The first left on, she don't know it's like that. She don't know the girl was called Raga. But me know she. And so remember, I tell her, say, anytime my uncle come for Saturday road, she's a meal deal girl. Raga, no boy can't come from Friday and me and start much. Can't buy me meal deal. Raga, boy, I have to give me money for go to the supermarket and stop my house so me can cook after. If me want a KFC meal deal or a big deal, I buy it out of my pocket. You send him down, I'm supposed to say big deal, have snap out of that man, they have this, they have that, all him gone 1 month. After Raga, some girl don't know about man.
So what you say? Some girl a iPad a run up them mouth and a meal deal start out them up.
Junior, them name Raga. No boy can't come from friend and start me out and buy me. Raga, I want to go by leave. Raga, I can't afford coattail. I say, well, I be a fat for a coattail me by me I cook Raga style coattail and them things I'm could buy a shop normally and them things them I can supermarket go pick up.
Biggie, did you actually say Whopper Junior?
Yes. Yes,
You have,
them things that them...
Well on. You have woman who has sat out for Whopper Junior, not even the double Whopper, but the Whopper Junior.
Well, Raga, me not start out for that. Raga, furthermore, me not really... Raga, American chicken sandwich me like, and the man still can't go better. Then you me tell him, one, that's a big one, the nuggets over there, Raga. But spend it out of my pocket better, because that's a side bills meal, Raga. Raga, boy, every time I go to the supermarket and the bill, I'm just a waste and say the trolley full as yet. Some girl not even know come out with half scandal bag, Raga, one item, them going to the supermarket, go pick up, and now when the man tell them to pick up the boat.
Biggie, that mad. What you say when some girl go shop at a supermarket and one item them come out to them and when the man send them go buy the boots, the condom.
Right, Raga.
Biggie, that one the slap way, that one the shell down, that one.
Raga, one new mix up now. This gone for last week Wednesday, but you could get through for tell it now. Listen.
Yeah.
Why you big up the three lesbians? Where them a come from across the bridge, Raga, or one of my friends. Two of them, when the woman said the name Butch, but one of them, Raga, she looks sexy, she know one shot, because my friend now see her, because she have him could change, Raga, I'm such a far, and all, and Raga, you know, so one of the girl in phone back and say, like, she tells the girl, she say, yo, what you say, this, me, you know. And Raga, she told the man, and she call the man a word, Raga, like, and she said to the boy, say, my wood, leg off from a woman. Raga, one piece of wall, citizens come down, and them want to stone up on the boulevard, and police come down.
Well on it.
Raga, when the police... When
the brother and the girl start war?
Yeah?
The brother and the girl start war?
No, Raga, choose the girl, no, go tell another man, no. Listen, at this the man, when I say a woman, because she bright, no, but I get to you, come in here, can't say a woman in a Raga.
Right.
Say a friend.
Right.
But who she a go on, like she don't understand what could them know so in a gas certain guys, when they got room, they do the romance, so she come and watch out and do what she a do. Raga people from nowhere, like them rake up a ant's nest.
Make a break, I will come back and you give me the rest side. Right forward, what's over?
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the things.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting. Now we have Biggie, I give a mix up. You want lesbian mix up and sitting and thing. 3 lesbian must have roll through ghetto because you don't know, say, Biggie link a ghetto link and thing. And then a man must go so and boom and step to one of the lesbian them and one of the other lesbian turn on like should I say, I had to violate my woman that time. The minute she go say so and what I code up the thing certain way. Look like the community step to her. I saw you go Biggie.
Right, Raga.
And then what? No, then when the community step to her, what them do? What? I crazy stone to them out.
Stone them now, I run them now with both beer to them skin. Raga them run out of boulevard and the main road now. What you call it? So the media and the Mixup part.
Yeah.
So when them in the media now.
Well on. Where them did I walk? Which part them did I walk before the drama start?
Them I walk from cross the Red Bridge and come at Jerusalem. So them go to boulevard at the right way. Them I run go at this so them I go.
Oh, okay.
So now, then again at the media now, the people them still have stone them now, you know, Raga. Some people start stone them now, they run them, kind of crowd now, run towards the media, and Raga, them run over the next and I believe, but they send them go back next and them are throw 2 penke stone, but Raga, may I tell you, the crowd, Raga, not even answers the rake up when they spray, look up big and in there, and them are run first, you know, no like the crowd, they come down, ban them. Anyway, Raga, now 2 radar car come. When the 2 radar car come, them go...
Well on. If you did estimate how much people around them down and a stone them, how much people did I say?
Raga about 200 odd people, me I tell them, I tell no lie. Raga people...
About 200 odd people around... Well on. 200 odd people around them down because one woman turn around and said to the man, she feel low her woman.
Yes, Raga, people from across the bridge and then the people from Jerusalem sign up for one only for people. Raga, I'm tell you, the boulevard block. Appeal to anybody where they had drive on boulevard last week Wednesday on the stone show and I go on to tell about the story, Raga, not lie.
Last week Wednesday, about what time?
In at the 7:30 bells, because Casper did just play Raga. Casper, we are listening when we see the crowd.
Yo, Biggie, a sample, you know. So 7:13 in the evening, a beer jam upon the boulevard out of Jerusalem and Marvel we there. Last week Wednesday.
Look before you reach the bridge. Listen now, let me get it.
So well on, so 200 odd people are run down 3 lesbian and a stone them because one of them...
Excitement, Raga, man, look what it out there, for sure, so I be people out there, you know.
Yeah.
So
And then
everywhere
what?
the police come and the police look at them now investigate the case. Good. So me and my sister say, we are go over there go investigate. So first thing now we reach, I say officer will take his statement for the Ragashanti to show what's happening because I couldn't know. So here man, that's all people them good for. So we cut off him now, so we have to take statement from the girl them now. Raga, here the girl now. You turn to me now, every day you see me a pass. If I see myself, I say my girl don't ask me nothing. Talk what you talk and ask me nothing. She start to line out to one man and him like a Raga the man then never let the girl. Raga the crowd come back down. When the crowd come back, them chuck up in the car. Raga all no look at the police and the sister and the girl them have a dagger. Raga have a big chopper and she don't know if use it. Raga pepper she left the chopper in the media.
Oh. So them in a police car by this?
Yeah, so the police carry them, so the story never get to go good. So Raga, wherever them go meet cross the bridge, we not see them back again, so we don't know who them did go look for. But them not come back, Raga. But me I appeal to them, Raga, you send them coming at the ghetto as lesbian and gays, Raga. Want to just be like normal citizens, don't come with them behavior, Raga, because the people them don't really like it, because them don't promote it in the ghetto. Raga, guys, let me tell you something, Raga. If a woman a lesbian and them say them a be lesbian, Raga, she a go help be lesbian and say lesbian for that, you know. Let me tell you, Raga, she not go make.
Well, say that again, say that again, say that again.
When you come in the ghetto, if a woman is a lesbian, Raga, and she say them a be lesbian, she going to help be lesbian and say lesbian must they too cash low. And say me not like lesbian because no one nobody knows if she a lesbian, Raga, and I see him so them do ghetto.
Oh, see him to them do the gear you them too.
Regular, me see man who a gay be gay down at town regular. But
well on. Say that again, say that again.
Regular, me go downtown and see man who a gay be gay. But Raga, true me not business with that. But just leave that so. Because you see for the Jews and what was up in there, Raga, but just show down at town, me not come from there, so. But just do like what people down at town, see I'm blind here and this.
Okay. Me see what you say. But why? I don't know. Me no. If you're not in the thing, you're not in the thing. Me just not agree with the killing of people for them something. If you burn it out and you're not in it, then fine. But you see the thing figure. Biggie, you know I mean I understand. You have some people that ghetto, like in a certain area. People who know that them people are gay, woman and man. And them not trouble them area people, you know. But if somebody else who not come from the area, gay, and them find them ready to kill a person.
Raga, one way not Jews and I want to them not trouble, at least they must have somebody who better go back here, but they see them place, Raga, them know the Raga, them auntie so till they leave the place. Them auntie, Raga, you want to say, if I say, the salesman said that open it for you.
You see?
But Raga, here where the girl them go wrong now. You say the man touch the girl, and I should have said, man, you don't touch my friend, and the girl that should have said, make me feel uncomfortable, I'm not going to touch me. You see, she stuck to the argument for a long time, Raga.
Oh, okay.
But her friend now look at hype. So she don't say, yo, nobody touch my girl and Raga, me and I tell her, Raga, she has rip up the girl for showing all them things that sugar the people them know, because people never see them things they eat all in her show.
Oh, she a drape up the girl and a bad at the girl and I say basically, oh, you make man over here touch you and them thing there.
Yeah, Raga, when I used to them something, Raga, when I see them things in real life, Raga, some show you see them things. They think that every time, every station I put a TV pan, I see them show them. Raga, so the people see this happening in real life, now they have to put a stop to it.
Oh, okay.
Raga, everybody have them own a specialty, you know. If them want woman or them want man or anything, or them want Raga, I feed them business. But Raga, you see, sometimes them do the things to extra. Raga, you see me have my son, and me have a gay friend, Raga, me not carry around my son.
If you have your son and you have a gay friend, you not carry your son around your gay friend.
Carry around my son, Raga.
Why? Explain to the people them why.
That is unacceptable to my child, Raga. So me not going to make him come and I'm going to say, none of them don't know what we're talking, Raga, because they like the loose talking, Raga.
Okay. But Biggie, why if the lesbian them say, but just as how you are heterosexual or you straight and you can talk about, you know, you free to talk about who you are as a heterosexual. So what if the lesbian them say, just as though you have the freedom to do that and be safe, them want the freedom as lesbian to say, I am a lesbian publicly or do the state. Because if a man go to him woman and say, my girl, what you do? Oh, you have man a wall up so whatever. Nobody even look upon them. They suppose the lesbian say, but we just want to be able to do the same thing when the straight people them do to and nobody not kill.
Accept them, Raga.
What that?
It's not everybody accept them. So if people accept them go with that. Remember, you know, when I come in at the ghetto, some people have them watch it on the TV and whatever, they will laugh, you know, but just them sit and them face them cross about it.
Okay, Miss Swear.
And uptown people not like them, you know.
What you mean? Uptown people not like gay people?
People say them can't get them off of the street. Why do you go uptown? I go pizza out in a New Kingston. I want uptown socialite a paraga. And the person says...
Well on, stop right there, sir. Well on, you now say pizza out of New Kingston and uptown. You just say you were there with an uptown person.
Pizza out there, Raga, me I drive road all about Raga, me never...
No. What you're saying is that you were there with an uptown person.
Right, Raga, so we are drive on the road now, I come back.
No, come just why I know say get the people, not for pizza out of New Kingston, you know.
Raga, one of them have a special up there right now, 2,200, they get 2 pizza with every topping plus a big 2 liters. Every pizza out of that special.
Oh, and you know it?
Oh, I need to tell you, Raga, if pizza is special, then I'm Domino's get a pizza, my people like pizza, so I find all with them the special day. Listen now.
Yeah.
So when I come down now, like, I see some sort of funny man, and my friends say, I don't like them people, why them don't get them off of the road. So I turn to the person, I say, you know, uno contribute a whole lot to this, because no fun uptown people have the most gear. I don't know, joke me and they cannot lie me and tell, and uptown people them buy the most prostitute. Remember me tell you, okay, say I get a man, him check out fee money and say, can buy a girl a juice on and ends and get some. Raga, but the uptown man, he must say, 2 gonna joke, 2 gonna work in all a stick and just say, yeah, girl, remember me tell you, yeah?
Yeah, that would not know that long time.
But Raga, maybe to the person that try to impress me, you know, so them are going to say, them not like them or whatever. Raga, but them are do the things, you know, if you see certain things that go on and get to know, a long time it have gone uptown and treat done, gone uptown already and done a ring so Raga and the guy come out tight and so come get the people start pick up it here.
Okay, when you say to it, done rinse out the uptown already. Rinse out till all of the color rinse out, the dye rinse out. That's how get the people know what's going on.
Yes. And then them go on Raga like to get the people at the worst. Uptown people them Raga them out the garbage of them have the things in a them closet right now, them closet door all are broke down. None of them get to speak it smoke and go them as somebody, them is nothing Raga. Them don't reach no level no. So you see them are go on and them call themselves bossy people, them right. Cause bossy mean coming from nowhere. Me no bossy at all, me is a dirty foot girl.
Yeah, and me a dirty Raga too. Me a dirty Raga.
No more today on them, because that mean them coming from nowhere, Raga.
No, we're not.
Them have said this and that. Listen, you know, them not like your program for no reason. You know, them not like program because people are going to talk about them business. And Mr. Wang Chang and Mr. this and that, or whoever up there will say, oh, God, I can't believe that Biggie was such a low class and Biggie's coming from there because you Raga talk about where you start in the ghetto. Remember, you know, if you're not throw the stone a big pen, big can't squeeze out, we have step on them, can't them answer the things.
One woman help her in our uptown place and she a listen my show. The person who she work for go to her and say, I notice you like to listen to Ragashanti. She said, yes. She said, do you know him? She said, yeah, man, when I listen to him, it's like, I know him. She said, no, but do you know him? And the lady said, like, know him for talk to like my friend. And she said, no. She said, oh, because if you know him, you can't work here. So the helper said, but you don't understand, you don't have a problem with me, I listen, but you're going to have a problem if you know him. And she said, but I don't know what you're going to go and tell him. And I saw the person who would tell me, I pinch me, I make me know, say the helper know some of the nastiness when I'm going. So basically, what she has said, you know, she don't have no problem with you, I listen to my show, you know. But if she knows that the woman know me, she feels that the woman going to tell me for them business. And that is for her concern. And it just reinforces what you are saying.
I pity she don't know so good and not even help her carry out the business that her husband can.
Biggie, don't say a word. Don't say a word. Don't say a word.
I have a friend, Labor Right, Raga.
You have a friend named Labor Right?
Yes, Raga. Not no wrong. He's a comrade. Not no wrong. His name Labor Right. Raga, we are all one who spell Jamaicans at the end of the day.
So Biggie, you have big PNP and you big up your friend when named Labor Right.
Raga, if a PNP alone come to the country, somebody got to pay and somebody after the PNP alone carry the country have PNP and Labor Right, Raga. When they go to the election, they don't see the head alone, Raga. You see all the hell.
The brap. Say, yeah, big up your friend when name Labor, right?
Yes, Raga.
All right, let's say a word here, big.
Raga enter mix up one. I'm gonna catch it fast, but Raga like me not out that Raga. I'm ring on my phone. Biggie ready, run come right now. Come catch the mix up. So you have to big him up. Raga can't for the mix up. But him call me. I'm see it.
All right, big up Labor, right? Biggie friend.
All right.
All right, Biggie, that's the word. Yo, hey, more while when Biggie all a rinse out to the Biggie coming like a teacher, but not like. Biggie coming like a teacher, talk up the things. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, Robert.
Yes, sir.
Why ain't giving you that much fight out there?
Eh?
Why they fighting you that much?
Nah, man, they sitting there hurt up them head, man.
Well, you ain't going to get that fight still, you know, because you're doing some good work out there and they don't like it. So they're going to keep fighting you all right.
Nah, and them nah stop. Where you calling from?
I'm calling from London.
London. All right. Blessings and respect, man.
I'll be coming to Jamaica shortly. Can I come in the studio and talk with you a little?
Them not really run it so in that studio, you know, so them not really allow people for us come in, so yeah. I know me, a studio policy. Huh?
Do I have to make an appointment?
Yeah, man, just talk to Ruth. Just when you come out for the line, talk to Ruth and she will take your particulars and see what is possible.
Who is Ruth?
Ruth is a producer, the young lady you talk to when you're calling.
Okay, I know. You see it, I take everything, man, advice and man, a chat. And you think I'm going like you know everything.
How would it?
All right, don't worry yourself.
How would it? Is who this calling from London?
Raga, I tell you, the year one woman attacked to Baba Tunde today.
Raskava, yeah. Yeah, I done. Me hear so you calling and defend the thing.
How you mean, man? Because this woman is not brethren. Come there now and talk how much your show is not worthwhile to be on the air, even though she had listened, otherwise she could not say that. And
right.
The broadcasting commission people, them love it, so they won't give you no problem. And the woman shout out your name and go along the most way. And I say, Baba Tunde, I really have a problem, you know. I need somewhere to stay with somebody because I can't pay the rent, and I want somewhere that 2,000 and before in Dunton one place where what $2,000 credit run out. So I say, imagine this woman at her house, in come there to talk about somebody to take care of him. And in the day I chat for your business and make the credit run out that he couldn't even get for chat for your business. And it's how some people behave, you know. Because my grand used to tell me how this man go to the man yard to go borrow a hamper. And he go there and he start finding everybody business for chat about. Till one next man come and say, man, John, you know, say me I borrow your hamper little. He say, yeah, man, see there. And he must say, Lord, man, John, you know, say hamper me come to borrow. But through the day I chat out people business, the man just come and deal with when he might deal with and gone. And gone, yeah. But it's very interesting, you know, Bridget, how one will find fall, because they want to say, oh. And that's why they make them lock down ramping shop and make him show still a galang same way. And who says so? The woman will call in. The woman will call in. Oh, them ban ramping shop and make my show go and see me. Yeah. And okay. Me I say the woman don't have nowhere to live, which is not a crime. However, that's what she should have come and talk about, and if anything left now in inviting this approval with your show. But in all of the time, I fight against your show and leave her with no time to deal with fair business. The credit run out. No, man, so, hey, Kava, they have hurt up them head same way, man. Remember, you know, and me I do them nothing, you know, and them I make me be a problem to them, you know. Of course, I know your problem. I feel them problem. Raskava, I want to go on record and remind people that uno listen to the show, uno know over and over again, we cut out people or take them off because we're adhering to the rules of the Broadcasting Commission. I want to make it categorically clear that we are here to follow the rules of the Broadcasting Commission, and that what is happening here with this opposition to my show is nothing less than bad mind,
classism and people are stretch their interpretation of the law to get rid of me because of all kind of other reasons that are inappropriate and have no place in people trying to get rid of me off of the radio. Them should not do them things. And given that that is the case, I go and fight them because I'm stronger than all of them.
Of course, but even you have an ad out in a brethren, which is not something that you even talk on the show. You have an ad that go on informing people, say they must abide by the Broadcasting Commission rule. Don't call nobody name, don't this no one. That is to show that you're not encouraging anything that violates the Constitution or the clean broadcasting.
Yeah.
But some of them people, man, it really make them feel guilty because them are worried say boy I went to them won't go reach. So then
and them not come out and say that, you know, but them will come out and you know what he said, none of them people who are criticize me thing, you don't hear one of them say, no, I just me personal have a personal dislike for Raga and them thing. Them don't say that. No. It's always to save the children, it's always to protect women. I like the caller they call, she say she can't believe that she hear woman calling for the show. I said them have 3 women. And that is nothing out the road, but them don't want to hear them thing, them don't want the reality box them in them face. You understand?
But see if you call in and I say, boy, didn't hear a woman in camp, but I listen to a woman call in and I talk about how much man jump on them. And Baba then I said, then how you just say it? You just said, look why it was so bad. How come you come and repeat the same thing? Me sorry, sir.
The word daggering me here, yeah.
No, man, he said jump on them, man.
Jump on them?
Yeah, too much man jump on them. But Baba, I said, then you just said the same thing where you find so this is full power that program and you just
Raskava, listen to me. Don't make the Broadcasting Commission fool anyhow or anybody else. There is nothing unconstitutional, there is nothing illegal about a woman a call and a tell you how much man she take. There is nothing wrong with that. Any woman can call my show and tell me how much man them a take. Right? She's not allowed to go in any graphic details about the taking of the man and what. You know? You understand what I say?
Yeah, we are.
But any woman can call my show and tell me how much man she take and me and I can talk. And the Broadcasting Commission cannot stop that woman from freely expressing herself, and they should not. And if anybody believes that they have a monopoly upon decency with a unidimensional construction of what is decent and what is correct, and feel like say you want to stop the people in from call my show and talk, bring it, because we have a war now.
Brethren, you see dear pastor show, a lot of people calling and say similar things, and just because now he's a counselor, so he's privileged.
No, Raskava, then give it to him too, you know.
No, but not
then give it to him
because he's a counselor. He is privileged to share what people come to his office and discuss daily. So,
Kava, let me get 2 more cards. Well, let me get 2 more cards before I go out. Don't worry yourself. We're there, turn up trunk for them. You understand?
Bless up, give thanks.
Yeah, man. Manners and respect. Yeah, man. Bounce the other caller for me. We have 2 more callers. Bounce the other caller. Hello.
Ragashanti. Could you get up for the radio and make I say something to you, please?
No, we can't do that no, because the show are done here. We can't do that no. Here.
Take me number then.
All right, just give it to Ruth, man. Just give it to Ruth, here. And tell her what you want to talk about, here. All right, give me the other call. Ruth, make you tell her what you want to talk about, because then I'm not hear what you want to talk about. You know what I'm saying? I'm afraid of them calls. Oh, by the way, people, a whole heap of people out there want to set me up with this and that. That's why sometimes when them call, they go on with something in them, want to know what them are going with, because they must set up the thing wicked out there. You see it? That's why I'm not running for every call. They must say, yo, Raga, call me back with this and that. And then we give me a mix up and I try bait me and I tell me for God, say, go do this and go do that and call a number and whatever. And I say, but I was listening and I just put it on and I don't do one striking thing. Me, they not call me so. Where is the route? What things stay? What about the other car? Hello?
Raga.
Hello? Yeah.
Raga, mommy saw man yesterday. The first time I called, I just saw him big him up because he talk on the phone. And I tell him, say, you know, like, my love one time when I talk to him, when we start out and I do the things them. Anyway, with me last night and we start out and something. And Raga, all him the fun is that your mother alright, and two my granduncle dead in the pants. So I went to the funeral and
you know, how far so the road good and him, so the Raga, I just get up and run him Raga. So I just saw him big move.
Hold on. When you meet him?
Raga, meet him last night, but we had talked before.
Yeah. Oh, you did talk before, but last night you don't actually make the link physically.
Yes, Raga.
And what you do? You tell him say you like when man talk to you when you start out.
Yes, Raga.
So only did I start out last night?
Yes, Raga. So Raga, we meet and we start. You know, start out or something. But you me that tell him on the phone, say me like when man talk to when we start out, you know. Yes, him just.
So wait. So when you start out, at that time him did I talk them things to you?
Yes, Raga.
And when did I talk to you? Say when you not start out?
My granduncle was dead, so the funeral they put off this Sunday because the rain. I come from the Stone area. So him did and him asked me, when are the funeral and the roads, them fix the roads to go over and something. So your mother alright and everybody and you know, so what you do to them look at things there. So I just saw you big him up and I'm not saying.
He might ask you them things that in the sort out?
Yes, Raga.
Because you tell him say you like when the man talk to you?
Yes,
when you sort out?
Yes.
But him not know say him when you are referred to if you say right there's a catch your foot right there so that feel good. And you never know if you put on the condom?
No, Raga.
No man, a baby. How old him is?
Raga, I'm in 30s.
30s?
Yes, Raga.
Yo, in shame man, in shame man. Man can't assert you. Man can't assert you to ask you say when are your uncle funeral? Them fix the road yet. Bruce Golden, what the councillor they say, what the MP them saying a man at Phelps and Phillips. And them assert you. What kind of man? Why this? Osha, listen to me now. Hey, if I never one thing would have come deal with it for you, you know. Yeah, baby, but you know.
I want to big up my AC myself.
Big up your AC, man. Come on, you know, say, if I'm me and you did that work, would I tell you some things, you know, man, and make you tell me back something, you know, man. Remember, you know, baby. Oh. Anyway, bless up yourself.
I'm on Facebook for your followers, so big up yourself.
Well, on, do you know what I tell you your Facebook name?
Stephanie Gray.
Eh?
Stephanie Gray.
Stephanie Gray?
Yeah, G-R-A-Y.
G what?
G-R-A-Y.
Oh, Stephanie Gray. Stephanie with I-E or with a Y?
Yeah.
No, the Stephanie, it end with I-E or with A-Y? No, I'm with N-Y, eh?
I-E.
All right, now say a word. Here, bless up yourself. Here, baby.
I got big up yourself.
Manners. All right, people, I hit that 1 o'clock tomorrow. We kick it off again. I just want to come with some good mix up. Well, no, we are doing it from 12. We are doing it from 2:30 until 4 o'clock. It's Speaky Spooky Wednesday.
Oh, yeah.
It's Speaky Spooky Wednesday. This Wednesday. I want me to do it for the whole show, but when you every last Wednesday we're going to do it. When you call in Wednesday, you have to speak spooky. You can't chat the patois, so you have to come with some speaky spooky like the bossy people. That's this Wednesday. And again, the show is repeating nightly from 11 p.m. until around 3 a.m. in the morning. And things, so tune in for that tonight. 1 o'clock tomorrow, blaze it up again. Emily and Worry Yourself. Chris Cross, Large Episode, Root to the Q to the producer, Jeremy and King, Richard Rainford, Nationwide Family, Boom Bang sitting and big up to Uno, the Tambourine Nation, the Mixup and Blenda crew, to the flipping world, all them for stop with, and I never them start with, to the world, outer road.